Me watch him walk out with us, said the Adrusono, a bedroom so Cassia, and some at Bosia Bobo, Medina, as some of I said on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Facebook on Adom TV Extra, and some of those on the Obetia, and also Cashabi, say University Senior Staff Association, no, a Mumpenny for B, the Shady, Etwa Benim, so Mohano, one shadow, one swan on Samson, Western North, Charles President, your which my report a bit of Sadusia for 137,000 to be my essence, warm. Busiana se sika eni fie no enye no kre na beto dwa se Ghana ha nkasa no uche ye mu ha mu nche mu aduonum e na omaye kese aborso ye ni nyedi mu ejiremu ebebro we ne nsem ahodo bi nam de so mo se bedwam so kase wuhia me a e afreme anoche wa ba ajwa se wa fenche mu no me de to so amount Titlani Emma Senior Staff Association, Emma University for Development Studies, Mohammed Zakaria. Now, what the Atogana band when we say one more how, yes, we 15 was what here, and Tia Bine on Shay, no person, no more, or more hanging in Menuinas in penny for your swat theatriano, or more how when Winty, where Jad the Chere, Etifiano, on when one saw how none of Sebe Yard, the Chenia, this young one, some Ebese Frasi.
Suffering arise as a result of this strike. It's unfortunate, as we have indicated, that this is the time that you see, the academic and administrative work is in full gear. But government should have looked at that aspect and listen to us and solve the problem. The government failed to do that, putting the poor students of this country into trouble, because now we are packing back and baggage. So if government of Ghana is serious about the tertiary educational activities in Ghana, government should listen to us within the shortest possible time. But if government of Ghana thinks that tertiary education is not a priority to it, then fine, we are fine with it.
A school phobia, woman so any Adom News in Central for a chicken como, what did you just say?
This strike is really going to affect us a lot since our lectures are very important when it comes to our academics. That's mainly our purpose here. And then as of now, academic year has started and we are just roaming around as students. We are not attending lectures, nothing, just because of this particular thing. So we are just pleading with the government.
Basically, this strike would negatively affect us simply because we just came from home and just 2 weeks after we just started lectures are on strike. So we are pleading with the government through the Ministry of Education.
So as you know, after COVID, the academic calendar was distorted. So coming into this year, 2024, we're expecting that if all things being equal, we are going to have the academic calendar back to normalcy. And here is the case, Senior Staff Association have gone on strike. As you can see behind me, we are doing freshers registration. We started last week. And then right after they leave here, they have to go to their various departments.
Yeguswa ewo adishani adishemu nsemu titina nema Conference of Heads of Assisted secondary schools etwaniti ase Charles ewo Western North mantem no emu na amoa amankwa eri atudwa se report beto odwa se obasa mantem ni mu a adishia for was wo moba from 1 no 137,000 ese MP mohane aduasanson na esan se sikasem ho enhyada nko yenti no wo mo ema suku mo panyi chese sansem no enye ni nyina na enokre.
Some no antisa kra. Say I'm verified. I'm say nipano once me and because every Western North no the figure no come out Western North anya Western North that time no kra the whole country but not the whole country kra because I swati. And so ever say answer na o be kan ayibisa no friend nipa na bisa ne se bia sa na tie na nipa no nya den enya no ansa ba antisa person of your figure antisa kra
wasande to awofo anim se wo mo hwe se wo mo manum a wo mo enya admission wo mo da so esifia wo mo twen se enema hodo esese wo mo todi ko school wo mo beto ni nina no mo nye sa na emom wo mo ko school no
yen kola na aka 2500 na aka no ye be stress still admission no yen close ye ena moreover so nkola ni piso bi se enema no openi nyina muno ansa na wa ba school. And this mattress say ye will be government one war. And I offer won't mean yes can talk student mattress maubano, over school moi. Ye benye biamo, schools in Okumwa, or ye was government mattress or wa, ye memobi. And never no crabia or benye bia bra. And never no prospectus no, ye in crab beginning our home at say, and Teresa Colanin tos animal in Zanzano maba, and tika crabia or benye bia bra, the quanya or ye begimo.
Ghana Demographic and Health Survey edi abetu dwase wo mo afamanta makase mensa enkran kuma senator malaya yi nipa wo mu ene wode wo ma ye hwehwemu na wie na ma abetu dwase Ghana hankasa no beye wo ha mu nchemu ne aduonum ne ekire ena wo mo aye kase aboro wo mu mfie so mutimi fa otenten na o ma fa wo muduro na o ma fa wo mfie na o mo de atoto ho na eno panyini ye echese emma no kra dodo no ano eya ya kase dodo no achen emma no na se de mu nchemu ekoye ni Afempire ni aduonum ye no Ghana Demographic and Health Survey ya Ghana Statistical Service aye no ekirese oman Ghana ema o ha mu chichemu aduonum ekiripom yenu ena esoso a ebe nsoso emu edurupa ebroso emema nso eyo ha mu chichemu aduonu ekiripo enson na wo hwe enkura kase miensa enkran kumase ene tamalemu a wonu manu yie ena wodi yesusu dia ehweye.
Another issue so ye related to obesity induane a ye mame ene ye empapa for omudi, especially homo omudi unhealthy food. Ye ka unhealthy food was this survey ye ka homo omudi french fries ne cake ne chocolate ne toffee no all the sugary and oily based foods no what implications our health status. Obesity ye hu and they release nature say over 50% of your women aged 15 to 49 years are either obese or overweight. Specifically 22% are obese and 28% here overweight. We so from Mbema side no you say over Mbema 5 be we or either overweight or now obese. Into when in your mind to just say the responsibility no doesn't rest only with either the individual or the state but
Ghana Statistical Service Koreano a year 2022 Ghana Demographics and Health Survey no mo wo sign e dia to just say omuhwehwe mu ma betoja se emaye wo mayi mo ya wo mfie no efri edunum kopem aduanan kron na se 15 to 49 years o ha munche modu 10% na wo mu twa kwansini mienu na se 2 hours ansana apomoden ayaresa bia na se bia ya obenya ahoto no wo mu nsaka
the OT region having more than 10% of women aged 15 to 49 years traveling in excess of 2 hours to access the nearest facility. The range is from 0.8 in the eastern region to 11.6%. This is where the conversation around the citation of the Agenda 111 should be reflected. As in, is it dominant in these places where we see a lot more people traveling in excess of 2 hours to access a health facility?
Sansemi Wanu yi Adom Kasiebo Pini Director General with Ghana Health Service no Dr. Patrick Kumabwaje ene twetwe enkomo no odi to just ayaresa bia ndo egusu esi afi nko na wie ye no no abie bia ayaresa bia bebre ano na nso obehwe se atifido fam no bebre beko ho
se agenda 11 no de na ya ne se ye wo be a couple of districts I said districts bia no I was unya wo chips compound wo health centers nanka wo referral district hospital bago ebi ni bi minim se ebeba ebeboa ma no only say bia wo yare kakra bia beko na emom ya refer wo kra na ya me fe wo nkwa akire because district na otim no ebi wo ho a ebetimi ya hwe nti yenim se ewie ni ntem ebeboa na me yeruchem se apenso de na ebi
Free Ghana Statistical Service wa munsemu ne enko ye po ye mantem no emu ye kogiremo kwa bibre mansi no emu achim kede omanfo bi ya wo mo wa achim kede e kasa chemu a ahensie ni ahentuo ho manso twen adahono mo a be ye mfisia edumyeni ni esanse ehemfo no nsa ya dwen na manso ne ekon wo ntem nti ene amampuntuo ho nsam ato ape wose akwan wo mu ni bi ene amanketenkete kwa wosenka omobo wo nsa no ano wonya no esanse mpanimfo yi adwene nsa nti amampunduo ho nsam aye bibio ho wo mpotemo
ewo kwa bibre mensini a ewo epoye mantem mu nso wonum krom ho no no besine ya no wonum akwan enye adesua ho nsam ene apomuden ho nsam so nya kora ene ahokire fufuru bi a edamanfo so ewo krom ho no mo amfo bi ene ahemfo nketo wo krom ho no mo a yamani boni ene wonum twetwe nkomo no akire mu se
the 14 years ni ye ka ade a adameji keda anodin manso no a ye start ye na adameji kede empuntuo ma ha nanke ye nursing training omede ba pom se manso wan je se onye obi akoka che ne kwaso onfanye den emra omede kwa brem there many enyema bebre apaye ho se yenya e wa akwa ye se manso nti okwa ye se manso nti eno adameji kede nti ye sra ban se saade no manso 2024 de o ma manso ntwamaye
manso nhyase no be 30 years ni awa eba no ano den papa ye mpemputu bia oma ya na mpuntu bia makade krom ha ye den kade ajale tena du de nurses training eba kade krom ebusu apani no ahema eye na nurses training ni ko afosu ye kade krom ha ye ni mpuntu bia ye mewie school kwaje so mtu kwan ekopa adwuma ye omo pese adwuma titru bia ebeba kade krom ha ye ni abre papa
Yanko Badna Nana Matran Kunya Bidio Koye Wabana Edia de Shade Kokobonsem Atu Obianim amanyofo die wom emebunu die wom chirimu 2024 ya yewremu eya abatwa fe na ebeha dwen pa se abatwa ye hwe ni musemfie na bia yeto nti na ebewi ase wo wie ne kase bi asi omayi mu nti wo stress electoral commission o amanyofo emebunu die amanyoku achi o obi anhwe no ntwede ho infra tutrasem
Onyene owo banda Boase wuletie lekibi a otosumienu e de efutuo ama electoral commission amanyofo ene omanfo se womo hwe se womo ebedi adanse e de afa asumdue hu e wo 2024 abato ebekoso no abra wo kasa mrashebejeni owo banda Ahmed Ibrahim ekosra nananum ahemfo e wo wono e palace no wodi tudwa se
asase no gu banani mu ase pa se ye twa edin keke ye twa edin keke na wuo ni na sefo bebra ba mu gu banani mu ase ko ye pa nti eno achi no ye wie no ye fra ya manfo no nyina ye fra banama nyina hia na etu omufo semfa ye ngu asema banama sa twa din twa keke na nipa awu ye ngu asema banama nti etu amanfo no fo se afi din twa e ba be no ye nye no asunwe mu se ne amanfo binom ye no mukroma entu chema na den tira banama de nko ade ye be ya na yense bebri nti etu omufo se afi we die ya ye ba be ye wo fa umusuo na de basabasa be ba tintwenu mu no wona nanom de ka kire politician no so bi so awe na dwen se ono afi wo de dintwenu na e ba be twere no wo de basabasa ye be ba mu no nananom be so nim
Yeguso awa manyonsem mu na yenko goso na na kwasi bosom prayer goso hene avomantem mu na meja na nanso de kokobon nsem mu oden ama amanyofo se so adwen yo so bampotem ho abebonto abekeka manfo tirabom abeboabo amabura no moma be yeye wo hodom anyade so no obetena se ayenhwe ha sanse abato afi no emfie na bi e ba anya afi nko a na tiseje beto mayi mu enti wontena se enyenhwe ha ma obi a emefa mabuna woni mpotem hodom no enye tutrase
area de nyade amema kwan emu obia dim ne machofo aba macho wa aba wo macho a kwaye ne dawo no yenkodua enua fa macho nko abato ho nyeso abati no apagya no 2024 yi ya afibia o se nya amutre ne emu onyame de hene e wo ya abato se de be ya nkofa bibi basa bia e ma ko de bia yan yeka se adwuma onyame de ahye yensa no adwuma no ne kwan wa memfie wo se me ya adwuma ne kwan wa nti se wo wanhwe na de ntokwa eba na de be say memfie a wo problem
wasan de tudwa se aya na ye ne nwanwa pa se eduru abato emre so a na nipa bi mu edi nsamone eye violence bi na ya na obisa no se safo pa emfaso ben ana ya wo mu enya frim a wo mu guso etu sa na mo no
ya mpifuo yi ya president nom wo mo eto aba ma wo mo no ya to aba wi a bi wo kura hu mp no hu no nti die nti na akwa akoko wo kwakwan den emre a wo kopa adwuma na de ama obi ono wo koda na V8 wo so wo kokuma se wo te swintem no wasa akoko ne atwa wonsa di amfa so na obenya nti asraw so mu tie na naboso bra ne a afi woi omuma abato no nya free and fair
ye free hodom na fe yemra ekwan befa so aboye mpotemo ne ye bro no ahodo ho eban na executive director Emma Environmental Protection Agency ye twanetia EP no ye Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu na dwumadi esronko akoso na we no ye nhyiamudie ya wode ye nkyekira hwe kwane a enwusie tututututu ye jai eba monten so ema ye home no ye betumi ape anmop masibre na ensai o my Ghana ye wie mu nsatra ye honsem
Apie twem no June ewiase nyina kosia wo Bonn Germany na omampani na Adom Akufo-Addo one the sector minister Dr. Kwaku Afriye ekogina omana nem ye no ana Ghana de tro dwumadie nanim se yenso hu behia se ye beye saa nhyehyɛ ne betu anamon a ye frɛ no 2050 pathway se nkwankosi 2030 no na dwumadie akoso nemum enkodru 2015 ne de we yanimu no na nhyehyɛ bia wiase amama nyina ye no na yetimi de asi
Director for Development Coordination Division our National Development Planning Commission Wilfred Nelson enso edi tudwa say strategy a womo edi begu akwam eyade ebeboa ama enwusie a ede yarewa ene owuo ema omanfo no etimi abrase.
We at the National Development Planning Commission do anticipate that a long-term development strategy will incorporate global issues and dynamics with flexibilities to ensure continuity in implementation, spanning different governments, and also a comprehensive arrangement to track its implementation to achieve sustainable development.
Ejimekuo kese ba ku ye from Ejahon Samso wo mamu Ghana National Gas Company na wo mo akotakrade ya Ghana Military Police 2 Provost Detachment Office and Staff Accommodation here wo Tommy Barracks e wo takrade no wo mo akoye nsiesie sanse free sempanifo sis adan no 1962 na sa chepa so na nya de nsiesie stronko bi akoso ho ne senti na Ghana Gas Company wo mafato mo so a akoye nsiesie stronko ho. Asojafo office eni baby a womo eda ewo Tommy Barracks ewo takrade sa edan yi womo esi no 1962 nanso no na edan yi pai na ne hu hia se enya insiesie we enam so ama Ghana National Gas Company ayo momoa ama womo akosisi womo office ede amom abra womo commission office no two garrison commander Commodore Yimano Ayensu ede to Adom News nsentwofo enim se Chief of Defence Staff ene sha se wo sisi ana sisi we mu nso abeto aso esisi no amanaye kamasa no woda adwumako no ase wanamo a womo etuye no.
The commissioning of this block is a very memorable occasion because it marks a milestone in the history of the Ghana Armed Forces. Additionally, it establishes the vision and aspiration of the Chief of Defence Staff to solve the accommodation challenges in the service. And this block will go a long way to improve the situation. To the personnel who will be occupying this office, I want to congratulate you for being selected as users of this edifice. We expect a high standard of professional upkeep of the
Yenya Ghana National Gas Company for NSME SO na kasiam de somo bedwam so no pe no memfa ni nyina NCFR DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 Facebook no ye Adom TV extra YouTube so ye dem live ushia me a eya frame anoche wa ba Ajra se wa bedroom so ye dan ye ho abana de obokra tampensem mu any online portal so nsem no atwaso. Right, bedroom so ye na eye fiada no se du fiada se de no se eye boja ye so adwuma na ye ne pepepe and then well Ghana Blasters beginning no raise Ghana for hopes, but at the end of the day draw na na se yenya ya so for bi so sese nkomo a keka nsem so oh Ghana be lose bi si Ghana be win man said anti draw bia wo mu de but me man na ya de oh wo hwe game wo mu ball na run out me say ko yi agu kan se beba na Commander 6 nso aye crado na ne online portal ne so nsem ho nkomo ne ebedi ne nra agro Blasters ye kuo no agina ya na mu no wo mu edi emaye Commander
Ajwa
kwaba
mejo so boko de
o nyame adom boko
nyame ase
bacha tari hina ne pamye
o me pacho level
up detailer me hu ya na say level up ah jeje
pacho je number ne friends
bo number ne hiampa
0542 413 296 0542 413 296
necessary
a friend of Isaac catching some pambim fama up to we I say my correct mission.
Yes, we mat mission. You said why you know.
Oh your ba bit me apam no wache. Oh boy so bit me apam ma no okuna apam fama.
Yes.
It will be a mojeje so sa.
Me catch you mo say. Eya mo ma ma ni tiri mu nyo mo de kakra.
Ye tuache pa, ye tuache.
Bone ho ka.
What?
We wa free level up unim ni measurement. No why you adwuma mu ni ya ona ho. Unim de me fe o designer ne ho. Said o package ade no de to box. Oh. Crofo ni ate. Gofo ni ate pa.
Amon voice ni ade no de pamade. Se first na na adwen se bi o mo pamade ti bon kosofo.
Ai.
Yes o wan ko school na pamade
na pamade ai. You say there etibo nyina.
E one thing na e difficult measurement.
No bi akoto ade ane bo den. Me se mi firi me ye kwabere ni mi firi bra. Ya nwini kente. Bonwere ofiri mi kroma na akọ bonwere. minim said ye kente won semtie na wo bi wade no wakoto kenta boden wakoto dwena sa na adwene sigwene so ana wo sno yonko town na wode aba said pam na ye ntomagum na obeba na wa translate na tia no
measurement
there be
one mo dwane protect ni nyina wo so ma ba be she wade
ma betom sa na ye ko nti wa ya de level up
the tailor
yes level up
the number am to dwa back friend friend
nkadachi ye bo number ese na wutwrogu TV no so
ompambi emfama
adwuma ne no mo na ye
ompambi emfama afena m se nkrata na ba bedru
afena nkrata
na bedru afko ni se gina mu ode
okay so 2023 AFCON also why Osman Bukari was substituted after 16 minutes. Okay, Nessa Numunsem Ewaha Jemunaba 2023 AFCON. It is a disappointing result. Mohamed Kudus after Egypt's draw. Well, with 2023 AFCON. In fact, my more Emranti and the multimedia name on Basso.
Okay.
Ewaho.
Yeah, Filippo Tuo ne.
Thank you.
Oneka.
Omoye Juma. Yeah. Omoye Juma. Cause as I then right yeah, you real game. Say game is starting 8.
Yeah.
It just by 9:30 there near the Koguno.
We around I think 9:45.
Yes. Na stories no. Yes. Ba neba.
Yes.
Videos ba neba nam. Eduma papa de we nya.
Oh, say Eduma de.
We Eduma papa.
Wouldn't say they say winning Black Stars more than.
Yes.
Enti uwo the body no
template
we no a headline.
Yes.
Any first paragraph.
Thank you.
And the betray how a story beko.
Yes.
But the body ne die. Say yeah Osman Bukari nya die and we nya obi no waka. We nya so ebo ansan waka.
Okay.
Etu tire to. So Osman Bukari o nya die.
O tire no to.
No da ho dada.
Say why na nya die.
Kudu saba mu sanchen be kakra betimi esi.
No da ho dada.
Say kudu be shego so onshego na wonim. Tina de no atwen for headline.
Now they are bomu wo ho.
Enti no na ye hu no ha.
Ewa bebre. Yes. Etina Usman Bukari nyade ya
no
you don't need a suit here to tell you
the body no wo dada. So you hear the first paragraph and the finishing paragraph.
Okay.
Eno kwa na here.
Okay.
And Filippo Tuo na odu omachi no. One in place ni nyina from head to toe. It will train the body at 21 say say na you court reporter. Na case yakoso ya kasa fa won say
start anyway
na body na say won ka hwe na wudim no betwere
2023 AFCON. Okay, wait, I say AFCON as I was say Mohamed Kudus named man of the match against Egypt. Well, Enra ya there.
Oh yeah.
Enra ya there. Me share injury no, and I thought say on to me and more, but in fact, especially the second goal. Juma. To the end there. To the bina kasa bibrasa.
Na so free.
Anka so for the enka. Na say ye to abe so wa ha.
Say we say at least ye ba be last minute. Say some few hours before Yebebo match, no cast was say GFA president Afren.
Yes, so mom fire
no interest bet me aye hu bibia. And also no bet me aye bia best draw. Na Kudus M1 humode yefi ni ento Jordan
I use so.
Yes, Jordan bo no because say Kudus first goal ni free Jordan.
Yes, assistant there
nice. But I think the shine and kasa no kan wasam the anchor for
Jordan ho about Kudus no na yes onya on say injury so when you can easily predict
and American body.
Thank you, body need a hodada as things we do for love. Star Vincent Macaulay passed on. Okay, things we do for love. Okay, 2023 AFCON. Mohamed Kudus net brace as Ghana shares spells with Egypt. Next and also and some and the next point is say better than 1-1. So draw the 1.1 point.
See your calculator no.
Yes.
See money nyina say. See the next month for Egypt and Cape Verde.
Yes. Say there was a comma omo. Na
ye susu say Egypt and Cape Verde and more draw. Na Cape Verde and 3.
Okay.
Na Egypt and 2. Na Egypt and 3. Na ye yakoshe Mozambique.
Okay.
Mozambique no ne Egypt board draw no. Ye susu ye say ye be she.
Ye be 3 points no.
Na ye call 4.
4 na dey be count.
Na ye ne Cape Verde ya sail through.
Okay.
Dada. This is a calculator we.
By ye bet match Mozambique.
And am Mozambique ni Egypt. Ye no board draw no. E board draw.
Okay.
Mozambique on the Egypt.
Egypt ya no mo boy ya.
Ye no boy no e board draw.
Omo board draw.
On board draw.
Let's say prediction here said the best be kwa my draw.
Yes. Say Cobodro, dear senior.
No, why that is I don't bet on Baba Fee.
Nyam meka calf.
Na betchere.
E betchere me because say calf na betchere say e obi an hotel.
Na say what Lucy abodro na say 3 matches nyina kura 2 points.
So it depends. So na it depend outcome of other teams ne so.
So mo no ankoyi
a class there.
But still 2 no there 2 there. Say how many points? 1 oh.
Yeah, 1.
You 1 pay
with no goal.
It is here Madagascar share.
Yes.
Na say nyame amfa fie na yekonya draw ayekura 2 points.
2 points.
Madagascar no ono abodro so ono 1 da
fada. Egypt abodro.
Na so ono so benya 2.
Yes.
O share ya ono hwiri 4.
Depending on the goals ye be pim no.
O share ya ono hwiri 4 na ye da so da 1. Na 1 de
ni abefie.
Okay.
O share da ni abefie.
O so mo ba de ya na say budget no so bete. Sika no anke yekodi wo say on say de bia meka say ti say wutu kwan. Ti say wutu kwan na nka abedi na woche a. Obu ahofo ntare na woche. Obu ahofo sika obedi na woche. Ba kwa na odi 2 days pe na oba anse sambe ka abotom.
Ye ka say Ghana ni bia nim
sika. Ye nim dodo a yekodie.
Ye de Cote d'Ivoire.
But omo host to ade na nka say nim sika omo spend.
Ghana ni bia ntino so obo baro meka cho say tekwa na asesem
po. Tempo na omo kodi ya. Na si eti na ye kwa no mu twa so bad tem because omo che ya nkeka na be so achen do omo de bebre ye no.
But let's not forget it me winning cap na $7 million.
And to say to me the cap on the bar. A cap on the $7 million. Or when you are calling the cap on the train, $7 million.
At least.
But you named the ABD, it was $7 million.
Oh, meaning so meet me the bear $4 million.
This still says I'm a car.
Say, yeah, Brazil, dear. So on my board,
the quine so wakakra.
Brazil,
but I'm say I take him quite a so the any boy there. Gary.
I go to me far from crowds. Say supporters some don't far from. Apart from say players, some GFA officials, other management team, you more chata.
But we lose the inform for Basamara.
Ghanaian Times. Chieftaincy dispute. Tension mounts in Kade as chiefs call for intervention to avert conflict. Turmoil in tail of TUC as 2 groups break away. Long travel time impedes access to health care. Disregard 20% increase in fares. Transport Ministry after alert public. Bogatanga Technical Varsity Lecture shot dead. Ghanaian Times.
Mebo, Coach Mame. Transport Ministry there no. Okay. Next Enra GPRT release no more the buy no.
I'm saying disregard.
Any drivers no be concerns no. Or Transport Ministry ni say omunyi ntumu. Enti say o de ne de so obesa de ase dwado. Do so obesa de ase kwado.
O say nyina yen disregard. But Transport Ministry is only
trotro.
And asem de kamechire.
Okay. Transport Ministry ni trotro. I different
Transport Minister only trotro ye adwuma. E fam crofo. But o sim crofo ato mo car ye o mutwe mo car no. Yen disregard go.
Omo release no omo de
yen disregard.
Yen forget it.
Etienne asem de kamechire.
Ebi o so mama Ayalolo abesesa ye.
Mechire. Match the state of Ayalolo ene Metro Mass. Yes.
Okay. New plan no the say
the Ghanaian Times.
New plan wo ho. Kwasi. New plan wo ho.
Me nim there.
Okay.
The fair biache.
Okay.
Daily Guide. Government transport operators tangle over fare increment. Every year, Ankara admits blood oath swearing. NPP disqualifies 17 parliamentary candidate aspirant. 33 go unopposed. 1 dead, 5 injured in fresh Boku shooting incident. Celebrities advertising alcohol. Supreme Court set April 10 for decision. Daily Guide, no. Daily Analyst. Nana Opoku-Adjumah fires Akufo-Addo over Ekumfi comment. Africa needs you and you need Africa, Akufo-Addo tells investors. Purported increase in transport fares. Transport Ministry rubbishes report. World Economic Forum. Ghana has turned the corner, Akufo-Addo. Reject increased transporter fee from BOST. Tanker Owners Union advised. Daily Analyst. The Inquisitor. For denigrating Menchia Palace, Savage Wontumi banished from Asanteman, Nanabi warned. Ignore fake website purportedly offering our courses, UPSA. Kwesi Jonah deals with Akufo-Addo. Intibwadu appointed to Petrosol board. Fusak on indefinite strike. The Inquisitor. Republic Press. Boko boys again. 1 dead, 5 injured in shooting incident. NPP primaries. Katie Amont plans to go unopposed thwarted. Disregard 30% increment in transport fares. Transport Ministry. NPP parliamentary primaries. 17 aspirants disqualified from January 27 contest. Professor Aaron Michael Quay warns Yisi over indelible ink brouhaha. A free Ankara authenticate swearing video. Republic Press. Yemniwe Daily Satellite.
Okay.
Anti-LGBTQ plus bill can violate rights of Ghanaians. CDD Ghana. Yvonne Chaka Chaka to attend Pan-African Heritage Museum fundraising dinner on Independence Day. Ghana restores 728,608 hectare degraded land within 7 years. Owusu bill. And so they can say Africa's problem is not money. Dr. Sam Adeyemi.
Africa's problem is not
it's
money.
Not money.
Na idea, common sense.
Leadership.
Na leadership.
Kind of leadership. The Daily Satellite.
Okay. Ebusiana say your online portal no hadomonline.com, myjoyonline.com, and afe the obonkrata no abano ebun komo and ye de na ye hombra de nei ye kono de na kai say abokansi mu nsembeba Sister Sandy be a guy what they ahosepe ebeba na kwesi beba Commander 6 na afe ye hwe asem no de dika si e ka ho asem no metena tena nkomotwetwe bi wo no ma ye ye firi ho na afe mpense mu ato so bedwam se ni enko bebia
akwa bakese bi ne ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwonju media so dia wo kan se wo sempan sa kana no pensu ja me de profiki wala sa gudi catch back ko pe ana mesin kunya na me kono kwanten ko den sema wodo esaka ena no pensu bi e Ghana gudi eja hye no so ma me sanyuma ku no miensa omna bom ska dwete me na no pe den komo no eba Kingdom Herba e de Kingdom garlic bitters ne Kingdom garlic capsules na ba obeso immune system no ejina mu pampen na fe pam ya de ahodo na fe so ne titi mu nyina so yifiri ho na Kingdom garlic bitters and Kingdom garlic capsules bondi ada on sentimi enka edru bia be ha adwene panti misrew tembia na so sentimi ka Kingdom garlic bitters and Kingdom garlic capsules ebitia boa ema ne ama etian tutu ye dia ma low blood pressure neted to boa stabilize sugar level no so no pomodon sembeti ejina ye new Kingdom ginseng power capsules ememedru edruba kwa beti dia boa twuma best no hwero ha ne akiri na still ugusu gina na so no the new Kingdom ginseng power capsules monsanka bi eno so ebetia samboa chairman awoti ukromina no Pamagro, send an ema ACF corner and the demo chairman, Timsrel, now Osaka New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules CBF for men only, recommended for sexual weakness, waist pain, ointment to panel conenim, Emanen Sam and Echia, a behadjane, Monsanka New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules, a bois, a producer Estaiwale power, I'll bet their boy Mamaniama etian to 2 year the amount. Yet the tremendous capsules about Mana Duno. White fita na so di po candidates snatch we do e prapra himfi ho nyada na yin carbon bia di fio na me ho so twan sa asante a chemenken ene chairman ba no ka so nti oboa obetua mo ho a tremendous capsules. This medicine works tremendously mansanka bi na mwa emaniama 822 ye enfama Kingdom Home Estate ede edan papa so na etua saba ye ka quality modern touch na fe san affordable dia Kingdom Home Estate omo HS bambo ho sem de oma yiri mu pampen se do no nitini ne tunya ba bia mfamfa eno pon ho electricity nyinam kanea ne gina so ye san standby generators for environment e betia saboa afi nso ne de omse e ba wawa tutumika fo ani tuen san che on che se kropon right after Latte Junction on sabeka home Kingdom Home Estate na onempen for 20 seconds so ne ni kan fa one say oh ha ye just some few meters drive food when be 20 sachem e wa Bri Botanical Gardens akohwe ni so ade woti force so ben ho na afi Safari Valley Resort so ben ho tete kwashi Memorial Hospital so ben ho pomodon sem na to ba ha na se wote Kingdom Home Estate dia ene wanya baby pa na 20 santan ti krachifo asebenyado monye skadwetri bogafo ati aboche ne o ma wukrum nyanu Kwenya ana bedawe Kingdom Home Estate dan papa ana yede abai nyame adoma ina yakobo ho adwa ho ne ahwaboa ema niema etia kuye diama yasetra Kingdom se friend that was 053 6149961 053 6149961 053 6149961 na on a Kingdom phone pay phone twenkum ka Kingdom a wom se no challenger obienu a obetimi ne adi eye chimpe e wudwumadi a omuguso edinum So ana the eagerly anticipated pick one game no arrival with the bank we a game pack games the chacha so kwetun san ba boys dia yedi no enya sam keto kra body that so do betun san gym o select numbers na from 1 to 36 na fi wetun san twa na betun twa okita 1 Ghana cedis betun twa an kopem 350 Ghana cedis still betun twa na we 26 times we stake no so body that so do betun gym dial *946# star 946# all networks obeti media to game pack games and answer obeko gamepackgames.com na afi wait me ato game pack games in share so go credit abay mesel utimi twa dia na say ni kapa Adom TV so na no pa 9 am ewia kataban so prem to bre yesan e de draw na ebro na afi 6 pm anajo yesan de draw na ebro nti when dia no pa obeti dia wia when dia wia so obeti dia nwumre obeti dia no pa wadi awia no asan dia nwumre e de account mi sampa no ye double balance abo mo dia da so on sabeti ansa ka beti aboa e ma niam etiantutu e dia ma ka game pa games a o se more mula more power ana fe national authority 4.4 bomu ana omotachi de hwa aboa ma san hye so kwetian san ko uni mu fi no twa a e mfa ho nyim chacha diwa oni betian puru so betian kokko wadwen betian hyehyew etri betian san bomtia na wodi adwene kakra etian san to wisan se chacha ho asem ka no e na akoye ani kasem kese pa e wasana niema AC course we so ana mijina na me de so nkomo no etian san jaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step yen chase MFMV a Cote d'Ivoire minute na enra first time a player score 3 goals in a match etian san tujwa na hwe Cote d'Ivoire minute sena komoni siko minutes ana Sergio Manucho your revolving and oscillating reporter dem community Sergio kama ma ho sena niema AC course first time a player share hat-trick na first time so a player share hat-trick na so otimi sampa oyintu sapientus or experience bebre e competition na say enra it was an interesting history ana 18 pm yemra games out 18 pm AFCON 2023 Group B Egypt and Ghana ebo 2-2 e was akens kesi 18 to Jomboni akoma na hwese na Ghana kesi no AC course ehwe ni senka Ghana betinya 3 points but any Egypt for ko chain 1-1 e was na ma AC course sin nipa mienu nam no munyanka mienu a omo chene 1-1 tino enra e chene 1-1 ka no ti Chris after the game and no so den komo twen saba ya o cheche sen ne ma esi ko se na ko pe win pa na ko nya 3 points na Ghana for agina di na ko timi di agina 2 ese ko peja ni meeting kakra bateno we se mezi ko na ya nesa epiem no Chris Black Stars of Ghana head coach and no boarding crew cheche sen ne ma esi ko ya ekwe 2-2 el sakins kesi etimesa to dwanim Mohamed Kudus say obi de yegos at bench ti enra yi ne ba sa omra na de otimi sampa person ne Mexico so anka Mohamed Kudus ama ka 2 goals at bench ati sa Branton ne ba pow some be far man of the match one adwuma bi asa o but we person ne Mexico so o ye tactical and it say enra o de ebo Ghana ema niema etuensa ko yi no Kudus edne komojae Mohamed Kudus and Atene Canon Bobo England the out to say de Bofonka. Like I said, the ultimate aim is to win the trophy. Kudus Humbina no cry. Hey, Chema, I should 2 goals for idea due to Elson and Yama AC course. Richard Ofori and so an Ghana safest pair of fans or Sobo Sabua Controphy Abuanteno. So Johnny crowd with me who heard and ready Aquaji Bintineja as say we as our sister. Bibia ankachi nyame adoma ometua san kwan komanim ma magana ma ya nike veda kesi ntete ni omodo ntem yenkoso a enta omachi nyame adoma omobetia ye the safest pair of fans for the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana Richard Ofori say hwese ne Messi koso a Ghana doubting Thomas bebre what say manfo nheda nyom ni what say ntia fe na omobeye bibia ma yaji omadi mo pa ntina manfo nkama komanto omyem we captain for the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana and say the substantive captain and Kasate bench ahwe obua coaches no amaniama etia koye o touchline nti no niaba ediama Ghana no yamram group A Equatorial Guinea echi Guinea Bissau etwom 4-2 ewa Kinsim na afen so Ivory Coast almost host nation mo transfer ma Nigeria alataya ebetwom akaba ko mantimi ante ama otimse ampanura ohwese na nema city a na Ivory Coast for eyom game niti no na holiday at the students oho nyina obi anko adwuma obi anso anko school nko Ivory Coast achi but Nigeria for kire Ivory Coast for bosumia edi akashia cheke na paya wo ma che so tu se na nya nika edemom boni akoma hwagro we se na setan se kwa team sampa Equatorial Guinea for no mani abre chi Guinea Bissau for 2 Guinea teams baku Equatorial baku Bissau ana che se no we se na Mexico so Equatorial for no e kire Bissau for no se Bissau nya de ombenya te koye for 2 on omo player ne share hat trick nti Equatorial Guinea o ma ya de pa but group B first chese between say PM ne Cape Verde Islands na Ghana ne on ball first omo any Mozambique ne bebo na me adom channel paramedic calculations ne between Sabro na phones ne Mexico so na nyumi kra na me adom a ye be sense nkonya na ye de nkomo ha kra between Sabro Cape Verde versus Mozambique calculations no western intensity a na say ayedene ho group C Senegal ne Cameroon for the bebo so na Guinea enso ene Gambia enso ede aboso ehonom nanka ye hwe nim se yebetime tu faade ene etian sa kire Ivory Coast na ene musifo ho Philippe 2 AK47 gunshot man ene Mavis Amanom Sesavonyo na omode nkomo hakra etian sa ba but asemfie no ya ka kwantum tinyame adoma bibia tutum kama besa ba biu na yede nkomo no mo na etian sa bro from inside La Côte d'Ivoire wedi esia na Machel P. Bashanus Mami said the eagerly anticipated pick one game no arrival with the bank a game park games. Momodian that's will be 1 to 36. Na mesno said TB Uma now the apemo abu zampa we tra one Ghana cities and copem 350 Ghana cities. Ubedi 26 times was taken no amazing pick one game no and a medium one dance the actual. Dial star 946 hash star 946 hash all networks na fa to be gameparkgames.com and also call internet no so a ubeti media to 9, 12 and 6 p.m. daily. A dreader copying questada, draw the basso Adom TV so game park games so some more mula, more power technically panel digimedi bro. National Lottery Authority from paying for technically. Only moving of trams so I am found him. It's as a chacha diwa will be heavier best what I say. Ube call a anti-clockwise. We had juniper. After Kingdom Heba and a Kingdom Home Estate and so at technically Kingdom Heba at the Kingdom Garlic Bitters and Kingdom Garlic Capsules number. A dunia Juma set more than that sounds a bit kebi. New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules and also a boy Juma no desappear. Mausan kebi. Now here's an message cost a boy Juma sa Emma Bibia etian to recommended for sexual weakness. Remember do no. I fit tremendous capsules money DNA was said to make kebi a sister. Chiwa where we cry out him some pipe. One more him fee or no team say at the value at the price better so. Yin Camboni na me horse as a tiny dican. And my chairman bar ultimate sampa. We are using another crab between using no. Na boa me na assume etia dwen Kingdom Home Estate dan papa no masande aba opedan atodia na Kingdom Home Estate more quality and affordable modern touch house a uko out say facilities na ni kampa your CCTV cameras our environment nim electricity gina so and afin so kwa no insunso eba kama standby generator horma and so ebetian sambo afi every botanical gardens just some few meters drive obetian ko no ko hwani so ade na afi boti force enso ben ho na afi safari valley resort enso ben ho a eni na o setimi kama ebetian hwa abo ma o setimi akadan papa bi nti bogafo etia bochiri Kingdom Home Estate dan no afi o te chrome house abo bra so afi abanske bi so abedu nse na episode ya de ansa ni na obetian koto dan bi na aboa Emaniama Etian Kuye Edia Microphone right after Lata Junction. Once I bet me Aka Kingdom Home Estate. Obetian friend 0536149961 0536149961 na one Kingdom Home Estate. Indian South so Enshemwa Emaniama 822 ye enfamao. Within the Prof EK Walasa good catch back open of course. Evidence based presentation it message nyame adoma and then you after 10 senya kunya e be sande nkomo kakra so etian sabro na fo husene ne ma se konti na wetimi atra Adom TV so ye de nkomo awodo e saka na etian sabro sister Sandy be a guy who say o she inside ho ne nkomo de banya sem keto in terms of entertainment and have de doko but before then no health tips beba na fini e betia boa mu apomodon sem no wetimi a hye ne den no and also yeah, bro. And sister Sandy be a guy. Charlie, Adom TV so there be kese obi twemu afidia we feature so with TV na boa emi na asum etia dwen. Within the Prof EK Wallace, the act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.
And then some more kwaba do Adom TV Badwam health tips. So na watchi mu many aso said the mo ho agimu na Munsumusia de the free mono, cough and cold, and ye do home community so bofra, walking ye. Cause who penny crab bichowa, and ye bete. Now cry went to men Casankas and Hannah was better way. You be beside Dr. Cry. Was it first no ya coda, ya chia crying him, men way yana. No, when walk over, but I know what's the game. Yet that's an watching more decision with their my and prevention. But my question did kindness say. Some Colomunia code or moment to me, and him ne sadie. See any a tremor, pacho, Ayana.
Say ebuama akola no nya a bit more relief. Na ni ameka ka ho ne say ye wo tisi ano tools wo ho no mo a say wo de be aspiration na wo betumi edia ye comfortably a wo mfa wa no ntwe na bibi afi nso ye wo nru a ye de mo to say normal saline nasal drops a ye de mo intina no wo de begu akola no hwini mi amfa ne say bia say 3 times a day or 4 times a day and every 3 hours poa wo de one drop kumwa na ama ahwendro no aye lighter inti e be remember na eno ankasa etumi ababonten inti no eno na ye asamo a e wo ho na
ya ye twene fi e benya effect wo mo so
so not really but once the ensure hygienic and a one kasa so no na just say o expose o to cold and cough no akola na nya ne bi
and yen hwe prevention na wotwi kwan be na nkoma ye di nyina yemfa yenya bibi ede emofra no be cold and as a cough mo
make us say good ventilation ebua baby a wo bia na baby a woni akola ni wo bia no e wo se mframa tumi fa ho kama se be ya viruses in germs like yeah van say omontra ho ma akola no enya cold ne cough ne bi afi say akola enya cold ne cough ne bia ne papa mu no mane ntena fie emfa ne nko school ana emfa ne nko baby a nkola bebre nso wa obetumi de assign omo ena akola one nkola fofo nso di agro no within that time when the toys no ene niema omo di agro no make sure say wo be paper ho ana wo be clean ho say be ya because infection no ebeko ho intina na assign amount for but to clean ho in term a ebema chances no aba form say akola no obesan nya cold na or the best sign amount for ekeka ho na good hand hygiene senior time bia ye ka no ohoro ne nsa tem akola opia bonten no bafia ohoro ne nsa esan se omunsa no ekomo ano ekomo hwene ekomo ani enti no se time bia no omo ahohoro eboa na ehi efin ni free ho viruses ye betumi germ bacteria betumi de cold ni coffee abano eboa ema ne brase afi nso so nkola no omuni di yie sene amri bia ye ka no akola edidi yie a onya ahoden nso so a etumi ebo ne ho ban efri nyarewa bebre anke betumi enya no etumi bo ne ho ban efri ho enti saa ye no ban ya na fruits ne vegetables ya da bia ye ka no anka brofre abrobe kwadu ne ekeka mango ne ekeka ho bia da bia akwala no nya binni kontomre ntrowa ne ekeka ho no yemfa nya mofra na aduane na emoa na omuntumi nya ahoden na mbo mo ho ban afi nso so no se akola abowa na wabowa na ekwa akire ebia abro 1 week abro 2 week na eguso ebia akola na start ne so tia na bibia infant na ho say yes common cold and cough ya ye ka ho asem ni bi ebetumi aye tuberculosis na tuberculosis ne nso ebetumi adi akola ni nya ebetumi ekono ebetumi aye asthma ebetumi aye nyoma hodo bebre enti na sa akola na ebowa na ekwa animu a infant na fie wo modern na ho wo doctor na ontumi enhwa akola no ema
wow Dr. Boyen for we see her yeda sene na wochi enchecha ode amaye ye sure say abatan ye beti na ye tu hono mo nyame hrawo Dr. Hilda Boy here pediatrician wo Kolebu Teaching Hospital na wochi mo wa boy empa cough and cold sure ye sheno so ye hwani ye we want to hear last one yi omuni di ye mo nsuo fruits vegetables emfa man kwada no hokro wo mo nsa obi a wo so awofo ye nyima we mu nyina opomode pade ye benya ne da aseda ye endpoint homeopathic clinic dia awie bia ha wadwene ye nkoho o mo show number ni 0244 867068 0244 867068 se na wotofufu sim ne won kwa wa hodenia ye be se hia bidin dia fia amankwa tamaklo
Fabiboni chairman Sama Mebeke. Was a touch not my anointed, do my prophet no harm. Papa ham nem paraminimum. Asama wakua ka yeni. Womanenko.
Yeah, come from to people were praising Kudus. Beba match in my bejenim guasie. I'm telling you the fact. And more family into the day Jordan I use so Dan Kudus. I repeat, I'm a prophet. Mini match and the Masha woman is in now, and I'm in them dear about cuisine now. So when need that Kudus is one. Daniel to forget Kudus. Na more family and to Jordan I use so I you kitwan more family into so. Munti se Ghana and Pobefia Jordan I you 2024 a year more date to into and Sroma Kessia free slow at so. And obey wonders and miracles. Inti munfa money into na ye mom paye e masa blantia and ye kudus grade each time you fa no me hu say or reade e wo park so or reade ades na numa or re e wo park ne so and this are your prophet answer na obeti sa meaning we ase inti say kudus oba match ni ma he is rather come to disgrace himself so Paye because park ye was so but in a spiritually not all did park and so or real and each and become can explain more to you.
Papa, as some drink come on pay. Namon crowd of man to oh was just so your prophet and son I bet they say oh your prophet. Set aside maybe a prophet. Me no meaning na prophet be I dey yat because we aso Dio who ya ujina ni so. Be dey wo. It's papa dia na wo kasa worry na Ghana fo bi say ya hwede e bi muso sikelewele. Ni nyina mu no mu nim honhom asem. Papa ya na di kan ba ko e ba mu. Enti mo yen kai so kan bi e ba mu. Na nkom hyede nyame owe oye ni niema. E bia na ti say na bebem. But we are not God. Nyankopon ti me se sane ma bebre mu but oni bibi. E di ne kwa pa na wa mo ni yentenye kudus asem na no wo ka. O se kudus. Born say Kudus Muhammad. It's mutie commission pe nye Kudus asem na no kan. O se Kudus so de enim ni pakro. It's up here do ho be chew because one kan Kudus Muhammad and I o kan full name no. O se Kudus. It's Ghana for munya sofo no. Tema je post to Facebook so munya sofo no wate. Papa enfio ah. Nye ona kan ba ko e ba mu. Nti we kwa dia asem me de be ma Ghana for. Ah, who is Kudus? Kudus Muhammad yenim 0302-211-70123 0302-211-70123 me ba cho friend so nim Kudus a wo se ye no say na papa kan wo friend ba cho nya abochema nya mini pawate o se touch not my anointing nya abochema nya mini pa asembe nya abochire dan hopro asembe nya abochire na kabi because papa was still this say wonim hunhum asem ansa na beti asienti wo frɛ me unless what suffer well be kofi ampadu nya me sumo na ni so papa no anopa bi obom pa yenti o ti ade no se no God is working ti kofi ampadu ya tie wo de be ntie Ghana for die omoka sofo ni din de fire oja tie din fire oja fire ya brof oja ye twi waka bom te mo de ye beda mase se de bia mo kan sem se che wanse enti se said your car ye say Kudus na say be your car Kudus Papa into a prophecy no na abai when say prophecy anka we go fin so say prophecy pa say wo hye nkom say nkom sha kwa go fin to the extent so be the park so na ya mo yesa original sound kwan ba ho man so hi good morning original.
Yeah, fine morning, Mama.
Me pa cho na po mo he na afre me fia no pay.
Me ka se fia sankagwa, me ka se fia sanku.
Okay, fire ojanie. Asama o kan ye nsu ni.
Asofofo no na me nko makoma no munya abotre. Enkom se, on se enkom no se ye no. Se de enyumnyama breboy no. So what's in any big guasi, a opposite of any guasi.
Correct.
The message of four. That the BC grounds and say almost brass and no man say,
I know you're 31st. Oh, and I can say. Jo, but as it's original, the author for Mama before. Hi, good morning. Hello. Hi, Kofi, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me pacho hina from if you no pay.
Kasa free so.
Okay, pacho fa yo jani di o kan yensu ni. Dia na wo ka fa nkom hye ho, say nkom hye kwa.
Dem me ka say asafu be mu ne ya o nto mo bu. Mfa ne senka nkom hye ya o hye anka informe authorities no mo decision. I mean has to ana say one intervention one enkobo na bi o de kudu se kotna bencha. I can't hear them go say about to think. So na you be na was sa ho den na say come say ba obo ha onyanya for we say mu koli to pe na bom kra bit mabu performance was or perform or so na bit me affect no
here back with that
I can say omo nya botre o se ni bo omo nya botre
me da se me da se mo frɛ me to amensem no so because we know akoye nya mini paint as asem no mintimi nka yetete me praise bi asafo mu nti e banya mesem a aya me de to form na ekoye obi a kameto bi amane ne pa obi be ko bobo akopedi obedi aba table so am one na busia na open ngwase ama na wo ho nya hwe asomdwe nka na ko wanim so for the menka ma asem sa meto aso meto ansam no so na mekai o Ghana Music Awards USA no omutu share da ende anwumre ye be o soho enti no obi anfa na ni nche soho ayi ho no airport kwan ne so by holiday in nche ho no na young grow na the music can't stop playing indeed yeah twaso a yani aya de share konkran so ye tourism ambassador aye efua asanto a wonin na ye singaton anwi watimi akwa akohia obrempon kese e ba nwum tuo mu a meche Akon eti mo me ahwa na esiye o shia Akon no oh black is beautiful actually bonsem ma because black is so beautiful we ni patuntum na ahwa so befo ajai what it show mo na shi wani munyam na Ghana to the whole yase yeba
That's crazy.
So 5 days.
Yes, I'm waiting to Guinness World Record for the wedding.
You know she's the Guinness Book. I know. No, but I didn't know. For singing for the longest. You know she sang straight for 5 days.
126.
5 days? 5 days, bro. Yeah. 5 days in a row.
You're 8 5 days.
How many breaks you take?
5 minutes after each hour.
5 minutes after each hour.
I saw.
I think I'm going down that. We landed on the 24th and we landed on the 28th. I was a 10 more than around. So, you know, we did it back. You from Ghana? Yeah. I'm from Ghana. You from Ghana? I'm from Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria.
You're from Ghana?
Ghana. It's a Ghanaian house. I am. You like to give more than that. Congratulations. It's funny. Today even I was talking to Bolore. Bolore just called. And we were just talking today. That was funny.
Na mekai was say Django energy drink. Drink bia a man who den shon kokra wabre okoye adwuma nwuma say red carpet won say mebo bia na me gina so style baby. It man sanka Django energy drink. Django and sapapa preservatives bia in him. Are all natural. Me kan former enkanka sportsmen and women no. E bia okoye adwuma din bi mesi mfu which say adwuma bia we ya we hia ho de me kan for Django energy drink e de e ma ye to as yegusu achiachia ye hyiehia ye chiachia hwan bem na akoshiachia file akukaton once again ni wie ye no na was why disappointed say sha wale ne stone boy amba ho and people were like yo girl where titi na ba ho sika ye de breo adan na we mu na peso hu no ti eche ne ekwen fifi mu hu sa ba ya no ebim native because jina ne dem say no this stone boy nyom esane ade no. So maybe just for the love and maybe or dobia or woman stone boy nti and I know peso hono Eda ye sona bem. When ye share Stone Boy or airport. Yen hestan ye koi ni ani all the smiles right here will be James Yeba.
Anybody really thought so? It's not intentional now. It can never be intentional. Me, I'm so passionate. Welcome this passionate. Me, I'm your sub chief. So I just want to render all finance fans, my fans and everybody who, I couldn't make it to Tamale because my schedule, secret weapon. See where I'm passing. Where am I passing? One time. I'm passing airport. But congratulations. As for the record, you have finished breaking it. So you wanted to do 50 days. Nice.
And Mr. Ghana for say assemble Yinya Butcher because I realize say so nipa so hwa na ne ya say je ne mu puha. Ghanaians, you choose to love who you want and you choose to hate who you want. Say we shiano. Intino, yede radia say. Faila, keep on raising the flag of Ghana. And go for me nu ya na nu. Omo ya omko dem no mandem. Omko dem. Menkai but be Tommy yes convertana. Sao. Shatawale ni medical. Ombe freedom yes convert. Oh, sorry. Tommy freedom concert. Ene akoba nsomo etima. They are unshakable team. They are very unbreakable. They say, or Shatawale on his own. Now her medical on its own. No woman is on Becabum. Sister, I say, your mother banning. And Tiare, near mobile Twamani, New Year, Shatawale, ex medical, New Jam. Pick one near. It's a high life at Yampeon. Ye high life on the day Yampeon. I say, Sam piano nan will be able. And I must say, international market. I abandon yet how much cheat you want doing all the very best I make for 3p garlic mixture. Eddie amount P work for and a dear drupa pay abba. Missy Arabia how can what BP also no make for 3p garlic mixture. Eddie Mao, Jari be a crown call a 3p garlic mixture and I will hear ama wo home at all. Miss also come for Kingdom Herbal any Kingdom Home Estate for Edema Kingdom Garlic Bitters. Omde du papa by immune system no abeboa amayarewa boni bi anihwa ebenya kwan era mu esan so boa ema o blood pressure no echo from cholesterol sugar level ni na no hia eye Kingdom san so na Kingdom ginseng power capsules we ememedru so what nkomo na say mema nko adru Kingdom ginseng power tremendous capsules ema yesu edium usiwo say ye usije san so na Kingdom fon so ewo estate fefefa enei modern ultra modern eho ena abenya nyama papa ni nyina security no so very tight aya Kingdom o na anyom ne odo yanko birthday ni so birthday omo nya rio emo rio bo kwame yojin bi mo wate ni odi kan ya Angela Ajoa Angela Ajoa ye twen birthday na me ka cho sama ho fama matadi if you Miss Gold's boutique Sofoma me Susie or Santa Maria Blue Kills o share Sofoma me niema power ton re quality usomwa atade bo hwa usia na ani apa enye Sofoma me ntade me kan for Miss Gold's boutique Emma Uchem Santa Maria Blue Kills adini dwama me Sofoma me thank you so much for the joys I hope it's a birthday night ready enquire Angela Ajoa Mpofwa way free anochwaba uniaba anochwaba ene adwuma ha Ajoa budu sani a friend wo wasomwa awodapa shon kokra Angela okay engineer so beautiful very very beautiful January bonds Morocco and she Angela Ajoa Ampofwa happy birthday na me catch us a birthday o suit me de ba me wi abo enemy the now watching kwasi other way now watching 28th yeah pa enshoma season 6 ho and to my West Hills Mall me ba show you free if you about Christy that so catch that so any surprise at be brain me pa show school no monfa bus momra support mo contestant ekuo bia wo so bia nana mon kwaso mon high bus tata mon fa busuan ntem bright West Hills Mall shanin so 28th of January 2024 Jerry Justice Sister Sandy we are there for you temperature momra ye twa picture TikTok momra hwen kwala ye pa mo hontoma ti wo ba auditions ya fro now wo group nim daddy mommy pacho me hian kwala na mon shanin so mon form number 28 our West Hills Mall free I'm the guy's queen. Well, Kofiam Peru, I'm Poma Bagels, my producer. Thomas, Madam Catherine, Dacha Hine Lawyer 1. Master Christopher, Master Thomas, and a bride. Makeup, Eglam, Esther Ann, and a chimenim, Edemame, Usham will come and have a share in Seattle. Fabum, Theophilus Measure Show. Fabum say, Boza, Macau.
Badwam sini mensan emo achi biom na brason se yedi nkomo na yehwe yapomode ho nsam ye de bia yetenase ya na yechiro bia ye papa ya ubenya wapomuden afi kwa so no eduro na wopese okoto a eduro ne de he na wose woto papa no efri fa he ne nei mama BC atenase me boni dia no wose Africa Pharmaceuticals Limited wo mo na eye nu papa ko fedro de ba o mayi mu a wo machiche mu bia benya ne de yade a yefiri se nia no aduro kokko edi enyanyina wo mo na wo ho aduro papa etime nkwa na afa yedi nkomo de enhwe enupa wo mo de abadwa so ne ba bia obi pebi obenya bi ato mama BC ma che
ya na mame
na mpomboko de
adomara kwa
oh nyame gusu hiraye afede nso yewuram kakra ye bubu sese enane kwa na ekwa nanim na 19th
pacho
nyame aye bi ye ni Calmed Pharmaceuticals Limited ho enkomo kakra ene nduro ne fa he ne be sa se afiri de he ne ye start ye
free so ye bobo ni nyina so na ye de esimienu bi so na
okay
ye bonito anope meda atiefo ase na mada ahwefo so ase anope ye free Calmed Pharmaceuticals Limited na yaba maso ye anope mapomudin hu nti na ye wo ha apomudin de woni bia na chese enkoyi Calmed ekra nro efi India maimu eba Ghana maimu na se wo ka nro a enu papa ebi na esi yenim hai ye wo Ayula's grass water Molly's baby massage oil and pie leaf ointment and the tablet and kukudam nankasa BC56 say and it's BC56 eno ekro edru ti eno ene yebebo so ama nkrofo a omowo ohaw mu ti say ekro ehaw mo edo kro mo omanya mo fa ho
enti na BC56 cream ye ekro dre ekro be sa na ye de ehwe say wound no ye wa ahodo bebre de he na sa nku yitimi eku ni ntem so a sa na no ka say eku na kotwa na kra yira mina kotwa na disappear to obi nhia wo say kotwa da na kra che say wanya kro bi ekro be sa na BC56 cream etimi etenete
yo ye ka kro a ye wo open wound and a closed wound ni beka say kro mo ebie and say akantu ma wo mfa wani enhu BC eye ekura emu ebie ehu adwuma BC ye edura eye nhabanma ene ye de ye eye very natural any side effect biara na se ye ka kura ye ka ekuro se ade a ekura bibi etwawo ensio anase bibi a ehye egu ho a awro anase yakoye operation ekuro no entimi ngu fa BC etoso anase wo diabetes ye kan asichire yare sa ne ye beka no ye kasam abejaw ekuro anase baby twitwi kakra wo ye diabetic na ekuro be da wo ho a wa ma wani anko ho a ebeye kusikuro
ahe kwa beka so obi na to aduro
sa na ye kan ye ni mu sa na ye kan nso enye obi na to aduro sa na diabetic wound etie wa ma wani anko ho a ebeye bibie wo ho sa kuro no na BC ema ne muso anu wa pe baby ada broni beka se ye san wo bi a ye friend no slow healing wounds wa wunya diabetic enso kuro na beda wo nan ho no enko
yese ne bojo no wa ba mia wo de aduro be hye wo ba ye ne den
baby osia na osi
ona oyo mo so a osimi de ekuro ade timia na atu oho ade ne keti ne kakra bi ade chene mu tretre bi ai me hona munye o ebetu sesi na so mo so hia bi
samre no atwam samre na yese me de ekuro tumia enwu no atwam BC abesizi ni nyina abestop ni nyina kona kope BC56 ekura eda wo nan ho for years enko BC56 aba ebe solve problem nyina na BC na wanwade a esan ye kra no wo de ye ekuro no a ewu a enya wo etwa ekuro no ewu no na emwa na se emwa no ɛdeɛn ɛna wopɛ sɛ ɛyɛ etwa bi eni hɔ kyɛ sɛ adeɛ ne mmoa ɛntrew
mmoa yɛ ketekete na disappear na skin no fofora bɛhyɛ
wode yɛ no nso na build skin no wedie no muscles na build na ɛhyehyɛ nia enini wu ya awɔhye afi hɔ no no ne nyinaa tutu afiri hɔ no no bc kɔtwetwe nsuo ne nyinaa afiri mu na ama wedie foforo aba na ewu no na mmoa no na ayɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ nti bc deɛ sɛ woka bc a ne ma yɛnyɛ duro no ɛda nso meme wahyeɛ hɔ atiefo me wa ahyeɛ hɔ minimum ne yɛkɔ yɛnim no papa aboa nkrofo nti yɛka ho asɛm a ne yɛnim ne yɛka monkɔpɛ bc 56 ekuro manager me na meka kuro yi ho asɛm ekuro no ehu bc a na wɔpɛ baabi afa yɛdi bebre aba yɛasɔ ahwɛ amwa nkrofo obre sa nti monkɔpɛ bc 56
sɛ we na emiatie wo
ɛyɛ miatie
okay
ɛyɛ miatie bc ɛyɛ very economical say netie ɛyɛ 50 gram
wow
woto a wonto wo sika enwu ye sa ɛyɛ emu odu kakra esevu sika ɛna ɛsan yɛ herbal any side effect biara very natural nti sɛ wo use bc a wakoma beto wo yim
yɛhwɛ ma mehwɛ de colors no sɛ no nti enko pie leaf no pie leaf me ho sɛ tia da soro ɛna box de tre so sisi fom yɛhwɛ
yɛwɔ pie leaf ointment ɛne yɛwɔ no tablet ointment no yɛ frɛ no miatie sɛ bi yɛ kasa mu ɛno no ɛyɛ sɛ me kasa abonten kra esan ye emu no because wo de sra baby a wo gya wo nan na enani ko inside say ye ka pie leaf ointment ne ne tablet a eye koko aduro sei enete e ma obi mfa asokwa enano wa chenchena sei nete nti pebi na to koko aduro broni be ka se pulse anase hemorrhage so obi ka se koko enye hu a oboa wadadaw ompe wo yiye koko ehu nti kwana akopɛ pie leaf eno ani pie leaf obi mfa bibia na daw niema pie leaf edan so no ne se yenye pie leaf no efi India ana aba eye abibiduro very natural any side effect biara enye sa afa na wu ko yusu na abejaw niema bi dabi ewo properties bi wo mu a antiseptic properties ena anti-inflammatory ena antibacterial ni nyina pa kire se wo de ye no ebo wo ho ban ma emoa wa biara ensan beka ho fa yare fufuro biara emre na pie leaf we no ne e me dekura wo mu ni se so wo use pie leaf a pass anase koko a aye no ho stubborn broni beka se stubborn tintin wo de aduro no ka ha baby otima no tim eno na wo de pie leaf kan no wa pe baby afa okwa a wo ma biem ne ma ye de ne dance no wo be kwa akoso ahwa ne sika ho na enkonko to bibi na ase akwaja bibi
wo to anu atop papa problem na ma wo
sa
je say ye mini we no
ye mini we
ne mia we no de afa so
sa afen so we no uja wa nan ba ko a na wo de ayeso pass no anase koko no ekuku a edro ben bi wo ye to bebi ayeja ye nan no ebe huhu no na pie na pai mass ni be pie but who use yenye do aye pie leaf na ebe moa no ebe arrest hemorrhage because ebe arrest hemorrhage ebe ma moja na etu no apie no ebe de ebe jai so obi se koko apie wo to ama me ye kopia hye ye kopia de ahyem ye ko ye wo surgery na wo se sika no
na adu papa se ya ba
adu papa aba se ya entna ho mo obi nkoje wo sika ndi
efa he na obi pe calmed mu nu papa yi bi ato a obenya bi
yo maame se wo ka efa eno ani calmed pharmaceuticals ye waso ye bebre medical de ye numbers no atudwa ye wo 055 266 7712 and 059 38 70883 and I was ya nkran ha baby a obenya bi Tudu ebe ye nuanom kramofo asori dan no. Adabraka opposite Malcolm na Plaza Okanshi Elohim ewo Adepa House Okanshi. Ashaman opposite Menya Krobo. Ena Madina opposite Malcolm ubenya bi wo hono. Ena Kofodua Gapson Pharmacy, Bano Pharmacy, Sunyane, Green Light Pharmacy, Mose Pharmacy, ena 6 Stars Pharmacy. Cape Coast, Buse Pharmacy, Sankotex Pharmacy, Pena Herbal Shop, ena Ashi Pharmacy. Yako Kumasi nso a Freddy Mens ena Costa Pharmacy. Uko bia ho nyina ena baby biara pharmacy wo bia bowra ho na bisa BC56 ena Piley Molix ena Ayula Grab Water
eno ya batan no edie ebusiana medase na mami ya obai na ese mama BC eno no na mama BC nsu de na ese Ofrica Med Pharmaceuticals Limited eno na ya betwetwe nkomo nti du papa number no de na egu screen ne so no enti no obetumi afa na wa French re mu ebi kwa fra location no baby awo no betro pharmacy e ben wo na wato adwin bi na person who said ye obidi bedi djuma from na gimu enchemu na yenhwe we mratewo ye bedru a enkobochechie no de aka achie no ni nyina ebetwa so enko baby ayeba esanse dru fiada say no wo mu abu o ho akoware eniji aba wo mu ekoto mu bedi koto mu bedi obi kwada nyankopon ase nyankopon ya dom a kwasiada na memenda wo chine di yanimi saso na abusua bi so ato abese no awreho sifi o sanse wo mu koja wonde hye kwan ti nyina no eya mixed feeling bia ni agere na bi raho but mesre rade se obema wanigi ani mom se dia no pay mani agi ya media san ebra society nkomo me hu Dr. Sharp say ade mani age Dr. Sharp the demon chaser esanse yade no a apamo wa chere wo se bra no nchesi yade no efiri woni paduam tie ni enkomo tew Dr. Sharp the demon chaser ma chi opanyi akwaba ejoso mpombo ko de nyame ne na bofo adawroma ene tumenti ya won yepa de nyankopon sedu fiada say ya kaya mentam pese me dress ba mi be hia wonti yeah, what's up with family home? Now, me match up. Just I been one say, hey, dog. Yes, all the bear also. Hey, oh, dog, could be far home on a fair. It's be far when you take. Dog, you share Dr. Sharp, the demon chaser. Yadia Benson, a bepam will be a crown quado, be so to Mika at the bow honum, a war a year caswa. Yeah, the Yamia say, Yadiana, dear, on say, ye be nyabi. Ohwe pepe isua emra ye de ye adwumani nti yade be ye 60 kura ne wa ene akire wati ase yes ye bobọ so amebobọ awie na memre no kura so amamoja mekwan wati ase enti yade a ye ntimi nya owi ase eye achacha kwata ena kompo ena mum okay ena mum no kura no se ebia no kasa dada ena kasa no atekwa no de betima ya manaba okay what you say aha apart from the yade bia yeye ne doctors so mu ni aduro hwan de ben tumo de ben bibi yeye ni nyina a eburu adwene ntiase so ena se wo mo de panyini bi pa ohima bi firi ba bi ba me bo di pe ko bi aba aha omde no ba no ensem bebre wakwa tese wakwa ibu wakwa bet entimi nyeye omudi kan ba be hu me no mehwa ade no na esanya mesere because ye wonom ne yehunu se ya ade ketewa bi what you say with mianka sanka no me yaburu ni ba me firi kransa ye firi ene kranka asunsum ni tumi ni anwodin di machi aduro na nya sa me ye ne keke enya aban no na esisi wonom na me de ye aduro ena yeyewu eti na maduro no obi antimi challenge no obi ani atasfa sa asisu a obetimi a challenge nsema nyame tumi ni abofo edi amaye bofo creator kokoko kakraka no edi amaye seye yade na da oso de a esense ya bafo ayare senti no ba bia hye bia no ye beye firi ho ena ma menkyere o a na ebimu ebo katugu eyenkwase aka a na ebimu nim se o we de okita lances ya
ye ma no ya no de adura ba besisi ho na yi enuoma tetare ma me papa to adwenim enya na ye adwuma se ope enuoma ye adwuma ye nim tie o ade na ye ne wo kasa na ye ne wo ka no ye discussion to so ye kire o se e ma na anya ya ye be san adu sika na ma san frɛ na gu anim ase ebi ntimi nsi e wate asfo asase so na o ka se enuru a unya habanya na nka wo ye adwuma aban kwa na ye de ye ayaresama na ye ya ukwa ayitima market ni ade amai wo muntwitwa enuru ubakọ no musisi ho no ma paake te se ntosifo no wate ate we di ndie kakresia we di ndie kakresia aban mo no ne yakika bia bi wo kurampa ubetima kwate din bi kurampa mementi ne dinda enso so sa nete but enko yaresa eye ade a ewase onya sunsum ani tumi ni anwoden enwase odo yade ko obi ho no motimi santo anansesem kire se watie bibi so ensem hunu so de ebe mo tibio masa
nese horon kansa akasa de na
sa asemi de
ebia na mpane ya na hyehyɛ ne nan mu na wose uyi firi mu ma
pani ehyen maame papa se pani ehyen ne nan no mu a enka beba physical enti se wura honom spiritual I have to command this spiritually.
Oh, okay.
What in your job ehun yaza fe na mbe yi pani ankasa
na say huhu mu konti o say
wan wo bia meba o wan wo bia say sunsuma wade o wade obi sunsuma o ma hye da afre be ma na tere onum say yegu awade ya pam no sunsumu.
Okay.
What in your job enti nipa kra no o ntimi ne nuoma ne ka hye no ode be hye nse ne ka hye nya de be enye ye honum no sa ngwase asem na ebi ni honum obi ntimi mfa yade emma se me kire o say se on say ya san to anansesam kirew
ya na ya no ye but
ya asamo what you say na dipa na ka kirew ya bet unya yaresa unya hoto
wasa juska
wajuska wadada obi dada na eso obu kwase anase woni nyansa bi no wote ne amecha ya hon ma bi ni ho ebe me ferie ayamani wo aka bofo no ama bia kame ni padua saudi yade be bon ma Dr. Shabeka cho so ntimi nsama sama kire saudi yade be onum na yentimi ansama ye be mo 15,000 Ghana cedi 150 million ya fama report me the police station bia wa round bia into park say ne ye kan a police for mo nkrofo ma ho o man kasa ma ho ye adwuma na nka ba akokura mpo nka anye ya nka wonte nka mesenk wate enka de danke beduru anu anu na nka nkrofo egu anu twen sharp no enka ye bebre wate ase obi hwa mo TV bi so na me se anase otemenka wo radio bi so na wo hu mi wa adoma eye sharp kro na se me hwe no wonu na anye ye onfa ho asem nsa mra adoma wo hwa me adoma na me ko ba bi na hu mi a eye the same sharp a ye de ye nwane ani ejine na so pinti me na mikito bofo creator kokroko kakaka de dimo chesa na nkasa a okita hoden
o boy ade nan se eno na wonsa ne mum ne kora no se no okasa ene me na te kwa utimi ye de na dwiri maka no
oh eno kora de ne na dwiri mu aka no no ediba ye 20 years kora oba na okita osika nkasa at once na ye frabofo no acha se esimi se beko
edam
Seke
6 minutes.
Enkran for friends seke yoro. Ai.
Enu 10 minutes.
Enu 10 minutes. O ba betime de. Once on dia wo che na obre. Ubetime de taxis nko obetime fa nkrofo taxis be ye 10. A o munyina nipa ngum na ommo ana wo de unipa na ba ho. Sha wo ba na ye kire sese na ye ntimi ansa ne 6 minutes na amawa. Taxi 10 na de be nyina metu ani nyina aka. O ma egum nyina mema obi a allowance ne aduane o mbedi. What in your oh, the banny at Timisa says minutes in Sudia, and the Wanga and what you were chingy because Kusia to Quanches will limit to her, no Kukudro, Sanity, Yenim Bofwe Kita, Yenim Sunsum, Yatime Brebi on Crampa, Medin free Dubai, Ablafun timid in a share, a honomusa or Dubai for any other Sahara for no. Nipana or Makako Shia Nipano airport with Damno or play. omkosia na omode no ba ye ho no matoanse a ye te no ewo ye ho ansa na omode na kofie
na se eno no nye se ya te wo kwana be sa aba ni
dabi ye adwuma ma ne nsa ma wate ase ye adwuma kura mpo na yes ye adwuma ma wa oba me ho no ma abofo nsa ni omukita sunsum ni 2 minutes no se onwa akere wo sika se mu kura mpa ye start agi usika se pe na nioma start I know usika sam na ye adwuma because bofo no ho no no ade bia yade eye nchekere eye no me obi na timide yade eye obi wanwa na ye nipa na ankasa wate ne mekere no
yan hwefa he ne hwe Dr. Sharp ibe
Dr. Sharp o ba bi ba ko pe e wo Ghana ha eye akra kasua o ba ho no mafa kasua ka se obesi wo overhead na se se o si overhead na se a no afa ka e new market so afa ka e new market ka se obesi wo ADB bank e ba ko pe wusi wo wa uku anim kakra bi sa on side right fitting shop bi wo ye no am na share wo everyday bi ye adwuma o ba consultation ni ye 200 Ghana cedis no aboa ho ye mo adura wo ba ge aduro ni nyina na otua ni ehu o me onom so ne se wo ba na wotua bi ma ne kwa animu a me ntwa sika bi ama wo se 1 week wo ba
do benya bia na
do benya bia wa nya bi mpa ye wo ba ye be ma wo
do telephone number no enko
telephone number se no eye 3 me bone hyew 0266 14 another 14 6 9 050 554 19 96 020 489 7454 enu ne ye WhatsApp ye galon kase nyina ni
okay ye da
ye wo ye wukura no we ne ye adurogum ma
Dr. Sharp de Demon Chase no number se na good screen no eso da busi am betimi ya frɛ no kaso a ene wo ne di nkita ho na mo fa mo de hye no ana wa na wo yade akoho na yaresa wo hia no wo nsa aka na nsa mekɔ no ma mefa we mfam Ghana Post se menka kyerɛw se wonim se free tete omo na de niema ma ne adofo wa abruchire ma yei omo se na adofo de niema ma ne obo bebesi omo so Ghana ha ma yei sa business no still omo ye Africa do omo hye buke na sanse ene ye bebia asesa nka ne na na bu on ma boshome na afi na akodru we no eye smart shortest possible time na akodru amonti ade bia person de che odofo e wa abruchire say ye UK, Europe, Babia, USA, Australia, South America, Asia, and I say a bible mama ni nyina no fakwa dan Ghana Post for obe package the kama no they are sending uni Panama say be ye wani bete wo ha bia wo pam ade man krofo wa abruchire be so say use Ghana Post ne kodru a obehu say ade no akodru kama Facebook and as social media a platform ni nyina so no at Ghana Post GH_ at Ghana Post GH_ on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter. And Africa, no, ubetumi WhatsApp you more 0542 527004. Ghana Post secured smart deliveries. Na yanko Franco Trading Enterprise ho. Franco say yadi bro nyan wawie yesi January mo. Nanso still no one when him so about time ho hyehye wo mo. Wo mo hia phones there ya de ho hyehye wo mo nti bo no eguso awo fom discount no eguso ayi adwuma phone be na ope Nokia phone, Samsung iPhone, smart TV say free 32 inches ekopem 55 inches, tabletop fridges ni nyina no de bi ema afre ma menkai we say Franco air conditioners no 1.5 horsepower, 2.0 horsepower and afre 2.5 horsepower ni nyina Franco be mo bi CCTV camera installation and the connection nyina no Franco ye ho adwuma kwa Google Play Store and App Store na download the Franco Trading app no eto phone no so na ubi wa be hu niam omoto nyina egu number no nie 0246 422 338 and 0555 939311 Franco Trading Enterprise store phone papa efie yanko mamu esuamu nsemu kakra se sa de ba kwa ye ni abre ho pa no kwan be fa so esua be phone tente afidie kwa so hunim de enti Ghana Science and Tech Explorer Prize it try to say Jane Step Challenge no eguso ayi a chese ekoso na hwemu a school for mako wo ha school so no mako oha na asante mantem apoye mantem ene nkrampumpuri mantem ha oyiyi adesuafo free ye na omo baba ye sa challenge hwan na chese obetumi adi nkunim di abasobode na ko ohawo manfo komo na homwaye na enkoda yi wo moye amaye grand finale no ebeba so yakopon yadma yawada ye di anim ya 25th January 2024 Accra International Conference Center enwumre no me ensa pepepe 3 p.m. na efrase enkoda esua de ya yakopon amomadoma chede sonko ya obetum de ye bibia boa wo man no na waboa wo munyina ano na enema o man ye bie no on by a project exhibition 24th and 25th na say 25th na nkasa no dwumadie no akoso na we no a Dream Oval Foundation, Mest Africa, Dex Technology and Founder Vine and supported by Fidelity Bank, Cowbell, Corey, Special Eyes, Girl and Joy Prime. Na Ultimate Remedial School so efre medofo ebi awatron so hwe no wantwa we esese kululu no exanse akwa abefo tinta fidi kwaso ntino ensa da nya adwuma saa entimisro kwana san kotro remedial classes na fa ho ekokodom na Ultimate Remedial School ene beboa wo misro 100% pass English, Maths and Science and they assured omo hostel facility e wo honomo novdec 2022 die no omunya 100% SHS courses bia na Ultimate Remedial School eyebi Michelle studio honomo aja wo peso ye home economics lab visual science library ni nyina no mo studio wo ho environment ne de honomo bokoya otna honomo suade eyeye e wo St Andrews SHS campus here wa Simfosu ene nkran ha na Ultimate Remedial School no ekoso 0244 696911 and 0207 891004 sanwumakoi ana abusua kura me mu abrane ama matina sede nkomotwetwe mu na me kono na happy birthday strong konkomo me nua ba Angela Ajua Ampofuwa de wa woda medofo I love you so much God richly bless you abusua wo hia me a eya freme anochewa ba Ajua sewa me so su de na kai se kwasinsia de asem ye dika etwa so ansa na mpense mu atwa so bedwam so ni enko ba bia
da bia makacho se ye dia kokoduro nyamesuro nipa hodo oh my Ghana nkanko ni puntonti ebe kire ya adwen ne empanifo so esanse ye dia kokromoti de to abade pa omonti no odi ahobrasiem atie ye mede dia kwesi ensia se medika bre na asuye fa na sekese koma Kingdom Herbal Center omna kofa Kingdom Garlic Bitters Kingdom Garlic Capsules dia badwa so me se eye edro tatahwe boye pene amani pa bebre gino mo na so yi esa se e boost amanfo immune system no ntia sam se enkwamwa bi woni padwanim ene ya yardom bia e be ni padwanim a eko editia basa sankwama no ano ye mra yare bia pa ya na be di paso nkudim tumati smiti makoma memfe uhia Kingdom Herbal Center for Kingdom Garlic Bitters Kingdom Garlic Capsules wonu na aboa hye enkwamwa ne ma no manya hone de akwati aboa no ene ya wodo a eba ni padwam wasade adoro ni padwam ma no benena ne sade ni nyina emfa emaw New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules ye bema de G 3 points near up to now Black Stars intimi bi fa ma free Ivory Coast no bema na de omo 3 points e wo mpem bema no ma boa ma mema yosim wie peyo betimi akwa ahobati betimi akwa no pa betimi akwa nyu betimi akwa anajo esa so hawo osisim no eyini nyina firo tremendous so ye ma ne dia e ma ne siesie yifu no mo yi white bia to ba bia pato white wo so de wadro eye tremendous capsules enye ferie yare enye ferie kura yare ukọ ba bia to do so pe tremendous capsules e free Kingdom Herbal Center no mine nyina emfemfro Ghana ba bia to do bia no ukọ ansabe ka bi ato atufofo ne nkyira Okanshi Drug Lane Fresh 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and 0302 938 153 Kingdom was no challenger. Anapai yebedi komodi afa transport fare see about 20% say yentum. But quickly share statement be a GPRT for the bar and ra. Can be statement be and ra GPRT Ghana Private Road Transport Union of TUC. Forum this statement a buy 20% upward adjustment on the transport fares. Oma sem nyina ene se aban atase anhwehan ama insurance ye de boy your cars on ya tum by 10%. And then number 1. Number 2 so you say spare parts bo cost because a true be a jeju on your port outdoor no ya pagem bi kra sa be ka ho. It a man no mo call aboso kan wo call Kumasi magazine ene me am ya do so wo kwa kwese mo ka e ka no mbo na enka ne sa ka ne kosoro enu tiri ogina so e de atum so mo ahwe ne sa omodwuma ebegu afamfa ko Ministry of Transport share enu statement the ministry ne so e issue ye. Okay, so this Ministry of Transport also purported increase in public transport fares. The ministry has cited publication in the media by commercial road transport operators purported an increase in public transport fares in the country effective Wednesday, January 24, 2024. We wish to inform the general public that there has not been any negotiation with the transport operators for a review of the transport fares. We therefore urge the general public to disregard the purported increase. Disregard nanampe. Medoko graphic 2022. Tradibo daily graphic online. Tio. Shedate way. July 15, 2022. No transport fare increases. GPRTU, GRTCC. We're through a buying. 2022. As I'm craving the catch there. Disregard. Obi na turn a car. Also from a do 10 cities. O say aban say disregard. Aban or trotro. Aban or trotro. Mesre na me chadanche. Mesre honorable Siama, transport minister. Sir disregard no and solve she. No kro no. Sir na in 2022. Disregard. Ewi eche na be regard here. Trot for ne to first mu a ye ntimi and disregard hwe. Aba de mamuntua because nipa na car ne ne dia. Afina se be ye beto a police for dia to trot cars nyina mu. Some say drivers no enye more than ye can sesi na enye adwuma. Na nam ne me kam se ma police ni fra be me den. You're best minister because some of these things, I was not even expecting a statement from the ministry. Because you call me and say the statement, that's the whole fact. Statement, said drivers, Nika say, or men, so me in 2022, in 2024. Statement, what's what tomb? Over to me afro. What's a pain? Who from what you to mono? Won't mean from one antibiotic. Minister, at least I was expecting, sir, you continue to engage them. Because at least you were grace period, kakra. And then Friday. You was Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, at least 5 days. So Minister said, you better to the minister said, blah, 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 blah. So disregard that, to be honest, me say. Said drivers, ne kase, ya tum, 20% na yedia, ultimi nya hoshe. Nukure woman no. Untimi nya hoshe. Ye ne benyo how away so. And you see, I think also a time where ye nyina behwe sa de we. Ye to amanya. Ye je taxa. Ye know even how business are thriving. Our only interest is to say tax ne dia bo samutua. Why should a tax collector be more interested in my tax but not interested in survival of my business? Drivers not raising concern. In your insurance, Libby. Ekosro. Minister of Transport, where were you? With all due respect. Now way. Tell money a pager insurance premium. No, Minister of Transport, but now way. And as that time, your issue statement say we should disregard the premium increase. Any charges are would go airport. Minister of Transport, you were there. Why didn't you issue a statement for us to disregard those charges? No. Because the ripple effect here, yet Timamufono. Yet Timamufono, and how near Benediano, Ebepayaso, Minister. It's not about the statement, it's not office, and yet disregard, I shall say, yet, Modabi, but see 2022, say, Yebenamoye, and disregard it. I say, Cafoni John, when I also say, Yatum, or my reverse it. Oh, John, I say, Yatum. I think continuous engagement, na karibe to me aboye. Because now I can say, the private sector no and the only your transport, your commercial transport system no. Abanka say yes. Ayalolo na bubu wesi wonu mi. Say paka. Metro mas kwa de nkan ho asem. Ayalolo na bubu wesi wonu mi. Ashenkafu ka say Tramno pan ye nye adwuma so kura best 2 days kura ye ni how near Benedia ebeja wo meso. So I believe, Minister, before the statement, because statement you will say ebia bapin 2022 drivers now fa nyehwe. So no sense history etu ya for catch say we should do more consultation, pleading more. Because we mo come minister nyantro no mutwa. Enyantro Obia no twa insurance for the car bia no enim se afi ne blokosoro. Maybe bia me make am ntwi yo ntino certainly aboso kai ko bebrebe ne e bia me nkose ne trotro davis be kono. But we say some run me best 12 hours within a day ntino what ase and 31 ko aboso kai. So mo nim send ye omko aboso kai ko to spare parts a se na ne bo na etie ene ba bia ne bo aba bedru. Die na aban eye wo ho. Because musu nyuma sugu. Ya buama aban enye to e de siesie ye man no. Na o see make sure say e to ne betimi akoso abuama amanfo business akosoro. The only time I be GRA e wo TV and as radio so e ye so obi atwa asema to mo so and as the new tax about ma be chirechirem. Yeah, they talk about how do we engage the business community. Example to a day ebe or how near Benedia betimi bring business. But you feel say I had a friend see ya e be nya meje kakra wa hanom. We don't do that. Even the minister about insurance premium. Yet to me the minister for transport. Mo nyina mo ye nhwe ha na to insurance premium. Obi no issue disregard statement. Obi no issue that statement. But the ne awura ahyenkafo nani e affect you musika o menya ne dan dan nyina no so person pass it on to the general public. You say disregard. Are we only interested in the taxes now against the survival of business now? Because business there are no taxes. Minister, no say businesses egu Ghana. There are no taxes to be collected. O kwaje to everyone. Maduma nagu to be hwan to. Aban fan hihye betimi aboa ma businesses are surviving ye. Because in business kosoro na me twa ho to a enye me ye bebre chen say me die mini na me say twa to ya ufa anu magam ena na meka no me say Ghana say ye tax system ne tie no nipa bebre ye kalabule wo system no nipa bebre ye kalabule wo system because one yes sir who be a business 2-3 years e be fully up so be tax ninja oh boy untimi survive omonka GR for nim sad way obi so be tax see palo boa 2-3 years ojuma begu untimi to mo also pe kwem say ya regular system say ye ne yakosa. I think we should be more interested in how do we maintain businesses. Because o man dread ye need to me gina yi a and o man so wo sika. But if I go back to GPRT4 statement no. Say no mo kan nya no credit a ye nyina nyentum say nya no credit. Me patronye no krese and insurance premium yatum. Me patronye no krese and I was so kai ko one mu a charges a gigijo or spare parts no ne bo koso. So based on what the bit me aka say we should disregard here almost requested for. Minister Ghana for nya trotro no for yakoba die. Ye trotro nya me nhyɛ da nya papa bia na nso agya bɛndɛ. Ye che ne nya ya no. But one fan so better than free Medina Baseka. So I think that still you work grace period kakra wom. Media Marcos said, "Oh, jamming kuandia." The disregard statement nanka enyas say minister with all due respect. Because me see a year be 2022. Drivers nan disregarded. Omu increase ye. Ghana for a chair because me to be 19 free meduma. And I think we are going to the table so Minister of Transport so no eni kwase say ya ha no mo de akoye finance ne GR for asemo me ke benyedi but the whole effect ne pa de person me disregard. Minister, when you have no to be, no can take no frata. It is some of the taxes, no, and more my business in me, you know, when I see ye. You too much. Now, me tell attach here say, Oforiata no resign to save his own self. On resign here, on resign in the resignation. On konen kwachina. You're the same people touting him, his credentials. The best finance minister, the top notch. If we are seeing our finance minister, best one. And then one second of that and resigning. It will not be some ko na mne panfon kwatasa. Mon kan check no frata. Send ya wo ye no. E ho sunsu so be ba mo so. Ebi na ne ya ba bedru mu. Ebi na ne ya ba yi. Ye ntie ne ye to ahyentade abuo mu a enye ken frata na issue statement o honorable esema na we issue and na disregard nso kra na enye police and na disregard it. Aye too much. Aye no kre aban here sika. But no kre so Ghana for so survive. So to find a way to balance it well. At 20 dollars do. Aye too much. At 20 too much. Kakrabia and yanyeska way it was a trouba yanyeska it was a trouba me was council agents no ye managing ye and you could play you supported you could give mom $400 okay semenka because aban bia ye bi and you could find nkwa na di kan ye bi yan we mo bona Friday ejora mesa no dey share. I still want to say Minister of Transport, I want to believe, say beyond this statement, you continue to engage Ashanka Fono. Because when you jitum so omeya, oye ho hwe nye yi. Untimi nya ho hwe. Ne be nya say, ne ba na aban kan bi o, na tiro manti enkusiaga. Show face keke. Me dey akwasinsia. Ye dey pense mu to say fa na say kuma Kingdom Herbal Center. Over the Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules, New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules, and a tremendous capsules. Best way as Mississippi Bito, Ghana baby a ton, do be a concern can be at of 0275 804 064 0275 804 064. In Pensemu, Etwaso. For Emra Badwam Jumedia so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280. Go TV channel 119 and so o share live ewo ehodom so as na multi TV dig box no so be share live so or you streaming on Facebook and YouTube here Adom TV Facebook here Adom TV extra etukwa like share emo be sunya bi ehweja comment was here every paper genia can nyina e dia my fana say come St Andrews College of Health as sinful so much as say admission. And the patro student who are impo D7, E8 and F9. Ubit me a nurse na mana ye. Ubit me a nursing. Ama no aye. And don't even waste your time on remedials. Do a 2-year healthcare certificate program and proceed to level 200 to pursue BSc Public Health Nursing. Umpena pa the St Andrews College of Health. Yamo mutumi krato mre yo mojumanti. wapese uko nursing school papa nko de St Andrews College of Health here what asimfo so na mekanfo area ma open chem ya frame 0546 212 637 0546 212 637 and 0242 863 658 0242 863 652 St Andrews College of Health. We have passion for quality of health care. Kingdom Homes and so any out of Pacho baby. Ya obetimi adwudwu huye obeda an say waba wanka sa fie na woda dia eye Kingdom Homes and amekanfo e dia mawo omu fie ko estate mu wonu mu a opedi abofa mame baako na me say na no me visit wonu tim say roba fie mu fie pa kona ko hwese na estate mu akasa kra etie akwanda so ensuo flow enkane aba kama Kingdom Home Estate no hwehwemo ewo Akropom right after Latte Junction Fred 0536 149 961 0536 149 961 and 0302 939 987 komo chene pefi papa eto you say obetimi atwi between 50 to 70% dia kan ya spreading best 2 years the amount we atwi na kakra sa Kingdom Home no challenger abayafo atena se yebetwe nkombo amfa jakese nkoma member of parliament for New German South and deputy minister of trade and industry Michael Kofi Ochrebefi na mention na adwuma pa wo constituency one of the MPs omubo adwuma ye panti meteze so ko onopose no na enyanwa kura ura constituency no yes menyini se bibi obi amanfo nhwe no monsa etimi aka but dodo no also otimi ene de ene kakra manhu no I think say these are some of the things they share say other members of parliament so betimi ade aboa wo manfo in their various constituencies so kudos to Edmapa ya wo Michael Kofi Ochre Befe Erica J member of the NDC National Communications Team Alfred Thompson a member of the NPP National Communications Team Africa Cordia.
Nyamiado. That is an nipa ba late mona ochia on the first wo boni din first. Eze ochia obi ase wa ba late da o ye late. And on chain sentia wa ye late. Opesa dodo. Anyway, greetings from Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud. Wase ochia okese na this year the year of possibilities. Nti ebe ye. Okay. Nya adwempa. Na ye wa adwen say wo sori anapa bia wo kokroma. Catch and say meko. Now it will be possible. Now come back with glory. Ebe so.
Dr. Badwam for president
2024. Ono anoko. Okay. We who your friend saying Dokuna apro. Na wo dey atu nchen. Na wo si wo fufura wo to enye den ti me ko fa Dokuna apro abedi bio. Wo betimi aye.
Sa dey asede.
Wo betimi aye.
Ade asede na ase.
Ase ya, ase. Na ase ya mu pese mu force on to us Ghanaians.
Into be dey mo no sa.
Here see how baby we are seeing do no. There's a global economic crunch. There's a world turmoil in economies. Nti say we know obi a won yan support wo economy ho. Okay. Na we to me take over. Enye holiday no be dey, enye honeymoon.
Me da say.
Enye honeymoon na ye bedi. Okay. Na ye pobi a wo manage na he's taking off straight away because he understands the problems are ekoso. No be say o dey my grace period na me go that 1 year. Me wa catch you say 4 years na all ba no. No president can solve a problem within 4 years. Now 4 years then so say no we all say my honeymoon. Honeymoon I feel na woko wo ana I feel na woko
4 years no honeymoon.
4 years no more honeymoon. I feel na woko wo ana I feel na woko ye there. Ghanaians to reject
Alfred Thompson.
Any Rotterdam.
Yami Adom.
Akwa banso.
Mejeus.
I didn't know we
so we.
Yami Adom.
Eda yami ase. Mechia mini Alfred.
Oh, Afishiapa. Maybe Afishiapa. Afisi say na wo ba a program in temp to come and say why am losing elections.
Yami ase. Afisi say na yeguso aye transition. Na yeji aban krata. Ede ama
NDC before.
Yes. Na corrupt elements na woman no.
Oh, okay.
Ye ba be prosecute.
Unless mo ba ya na mo start
ya. Say me maka say John Mahama ba no fight corruption na me nya hwe wa ban mu amepe. Because there were a lot of thieves in this government. They think that the country belongs to them. So anytime they behave as if Ghana na your media,
And let me sit here and tell me new opinion Alfred. Kasa na o kan say no nte ase. Because you won't say 2024 abana yekon. No kre ne atro na ekwa.
Okay.
Dr. Bawumi agina homa atro. A symbol of lies.
Oh, Debbie.
Oh, maybe let me talk. I will justify. Oh, Kasa out here why the sitting vice president is symbol of lies. And Ura John Dramani Mahama agina homa ni daso. Symbol of corruption. I am saying so because also being fear now see a man on moon. John Mahama on record obedi Ghana kunya 4 good years. Ni 4 good years no ye no twa ni ehun de oye. And never be there kunya almost 8 good years mu ne yakui. You are the head of economic management team. Kase wo krum ha nyina Bawumi alaji wo na wo kan e. Ene wani magu ase. Ghana ni bia cheche obi anim se onye nokwafo. So I am telling you the gospel truth. Ade edima Bawumi apa ne se odi campaign message beba for 2024. Ghana for yes say dan so mu ne ada. Remember let me talk. Yes say dan so mu ne ada. Ye kodware ye ne yapie. Enti odi nso gina nanum be kasa kire years ago ye ne Ghana atoba ha no. What is he coming to tell us again? Oh no boss nam. Ka na tifiri wa mana kwasha amenamu e kwasha amenamu wie ya. Choku no kita wa mfa nto. E kwata amenamu wie o se ye ma o ka ki. Na onim se ka no kwasha amenamu na ki ne kan. You were the same mate and now te ka no ho. Enti so wo adwempa bi anka ka no ko reverse nka o de chalk ne to ho. You couldn't do this. And you are saying you have a new vision. New vision from where? Everybody knows you are a liar. And credibility matters in the next election na ye kono. Baby ye do no. Ye nye deceptive leaders here de omo be DSO. And fear so na ye de ma wo no dollar and na tie tuan. And the open dollar 12.5. We left it around 4.2. Inflation there ko do 50% na. Atete aba 23%. No kodwa mo reflect. When was the last time I saw cement? Unim cement bag bo. Mimi chrome near 2027 no time another dollar another 4.2 no. And that cement me chrome 84 Ghana cedis. Now o meme ye pencil cocoa bag. Who carry bag it me to cement be 15 bags. And the same bag and to how many cement. And you are telling us it is possible. What is your understanding of possible here? You have more than 10 months for the year to end and some free abemu. Who magic be do it now. Motia na mo yere mo ne mo ma mo make up na mo ye no mo ka say governance about CHP anim. Manage the economy. Why ye ni abreo. Hwe baby o man na do no kwasi wo de ya entrance 15 cedis. Nti na what you din no. So sorry anopa. Now show colleagues on your motina classroom about 5 to me send 50 cedis, 15 cedis, 20 cedis. You get my pain. And these elements are in government. Their interest is we are buying say yes, say quiet, yes, say yes, then you tell Ghanaians that it is possible. Possible. Send your program with Chaton. And the crew at the Papa Benny, Yenara assassin is need me to be. Where's the land? Mamboefo. Proceed.
What's the symbol of the
Akufo-Addo's a comfy comment unfortunate.
I'm responding, man.
Contradicts presidential.
Yeah, fashion we no cranya. The ever canning we now.
Fanning in Afra. I didn't say worst time. Worst time. I didn't say worst time. I wouldn't say woman 2 seconds to respond to him.
Alfred, me say Fanning na 2 seconds. 2 seconds. No. 2 seconds.
Who can say na camera responding?
Never respond there.
Me respond.
So your mama say President Akufo-Addo comment on a comfy development. No, unfortunate. I don't know if the president was spot on.
First, I remember being say, or say Dr. Bawumi is a symbol of lie. Obia was your trantron, so to me, Juma Mobia, Juma, or ya, or they tackle Kitashi, shed the pro ya, woo, Obia Nemo as a presenter, Ubi dia would they buy. Your both presidents be a dim or Ghana, Ugugala, the president of corruption. Manadine Eba. The most corrupt president I ever Ghana within 4 years. Ube can say, oh, yeah, well, a Juma, yeah, the church. Within 4 years, you borrowed $21 billion. And then you can say, MPP, you're borrowing a 13 billion. 8 years, 13 billion. Ube catch him say 4 years, $21 billion. I'm borrowing my Juma, because we have 3 or 4 projects to show for $21 billion. And then Ube Kasa. Obia president echina edu baby ana eye ya ana eye den say ye beka kita asehye ni proyasem and then you get someone or buyer, even though all share economy near you say, listen, let us tackle corruption in a different way. No be digitalization. Na AG proyening kitase share, mudi share ho buyer no. And my friend saying Bank of Ghana, $1.2 billion na kan mugde koye interoperability. Under Atufosing, Kobisa no that time no ye a member of the board. What say $1.2 billion. We are must Ghana ye niska. Yeah, you broke. My grade na me na ka dompe. Sana mo ka che when we are handing over. We've corrected things. Unfortunately, no, there was a world turmoil in our affecting. Ubetra ha ka say yen bu man yi. Ma say man ma ya be yen yi ma and I attractive ma mumpo mo person be debut. Mumpo person be debut. Don't go there. Ekunfi. Yes. Adentina the leaders and elders of Ekunfi Omoba president. What was their main purpose? That is what you should interrogate. That is what you should interrogate. Am I worried? So Omodishia Omodem film Ghana for say oh this year mbra be juma. Ma Ghana mpuntu mbra na ye start say you say oh ye juma no de nyama tutu ye. Ma no bi mpoko tro eyi okosign wo eyi Air Force about planes near they are not to be approve wa ha ma ye white paper won so. All of a sudden this year no koshim. Bepem ene obia ni ma de ko this year no. And they were worried, so they came to the president. And inti na omba president o. Say omodishia omwen hu mo se oye odu ye. And up till now, you to me for report in Brazil because obia wu unexpectedly sir. Report them what kind of share was ye then call my friends 37. What ka bi echi?
Kokoi those 90 sir.
Ah. Obia hu ye. Ye try pictures.
Kokoi those 90 sir.
Ye try pictures.
According to
pictures and Mbappe best.
According to the then head of communication at Osu Castle say the then president was in an ambulance.
Pictures na ye traba papers no mu. Nkrofo hu ya omo traba ye. Nyame na me hu yo. Omo traba papers no. So you want to tell us that the people were lying? You want to tell us that the people were lying? That is one of the reasons that Nana Akufo-Addo buy who said Debi and say ye boa Ghana man. It is obi yare na obi wa. Ye for ambulance. So he bought ambulances for all the districts. Plus 10 more no the see or say we spare ones are be used for certain places. That is one of the reasons.
It is the
and then may catch will say Nanado.
Okay.
Oh, de so.
Okay.
No ya no say this will not happen in Ghana again. Into my young ambulance. In Finsisi Bibia over 275 constituencies.
In fact, there are over 300 ambulances.
Thank you. But over 275 constituencies. Every constituency has an ambulance.
But we will tell you,
and then we'll be catching and say, yen moment because we haven't built this, we haven't gone to overrate and build a hospital to say what's going on. So for now, ambulance are here the econo. And no ye.
A Jaffa Mitchell say, "Bush phone call some person kuhunu ni kun Professor Johnny Van Satam."
Yes.
Say President Nyeden.
Say President no. Bisa because President Bisa. Maybe President Bisa for autopsy report no from the hospital and in Sabeka. And the president didn't demand the autopsy report no.
President was interested to know what killed Atamios.
Oh, once anybody brings it up, no, the president can ask for it.
President was interested.
Oh, interested
to know the Ekun, the former.
Officially, as a former president, no, during his reign about 4 years, no, said Bibi Wohai should bring it out. That wasn't his priority. His priority was to make sure, say, the lives in this country will be saved. People in this country will be helped. That was the interest of the president.
For now, President Bayer then when your autopsy report.
Oh, Obisa 37. He can ask for it. He can command for it.
Now, in the public and the president make kwaji autopsy report in the command. Oh, yes, ni the same. So already akwa na say Obisa me dey abandon.
Enye dey say. Okay, say president Kojia. Because say Okoha. Obetro say yema busuafo no copy because they need a copy of the autopsy report. As far as we are hearing today no ebusia penny ne say obia anka
ebusia penny ne hwan
maame na okasa okasa oh
oso onya ebusia penny
okasa hima on behalf of the
oyo hima
oh the American wo tie me be say maame na okasa no okasa on behalf of the ebusia because ebusia na aba no ho na mo asoma no
but let me say eno ma no nye ebusia penny
men can't say oye ebusia penny. Okay. What I was saying, you didn't let me finish. Okay. Now let me say maame na okasa. Who say ebusia penny hwana? Na me catch you say maame na okasa ye no. Okasa on behalf of the ebusia because almost say ebusia na be hu as ohima. Na as ohima no waba president ho no. E so the two nedim. Say asema o me bi say ni. Okay. So say o me bi sasa. She has every age to come into the
office say president and contact Atame ebusia penny. Now, Mr. say Ebusuani are aware of the autopsy report. Rather than say, or Himan Bedi Ebusuanim see a common penny honum, say man penny ye dish ye no, ye who autopsy report, ye who dear economy wa Atamis Ebusuan will be penny.
Okay. So what you are trying to tell me is say Obi ba president or no be ordinary between the man. As a president can say train, Mamin could be sa Ebusuan penny no, and Casa say obe cancer actually answer. So they've brought a problem to the president. The president has to take steps.
Alfred, but you see, Nyamini penim ne. Efa Atamis wone the we are here. After you need to mass of mindset, any money be a time.
Which Nyamana a time?
For so or him man be dear any Modiako president one. So could be said the autopsy report of the late president
on behalf of.
Debbie,
on behalf of who?
It's not even be on behalf of mine. Because Mr. say, yeah, autopsy report. Every would him say, me mammy weird. Ye free bushia. So why no Baba Jinem about me a autopsy report? And I'm a wafer. And you will be man coin or cojinem. It ya be saying, say, Professor Atamis Wuyen, the push you need beyond quoted the 7 autopsy report.
When you become the property of government, you are no mean a person.
Yes, better.
Ebusuani nya wudi ebiu.
It na government hu ni pebie ni wo. Na ebusuani hu ni pebie ni.
Na government ni pa ye wo ho no. Odo na o kan say your friends say. Wo say or say your friends ambulance mpo na ne ko ye public no so traffic so mo che say.
Me nyini say kokko ndi ko gina.
Nti wan na ko gina ho.
No, certainly be a country.
So that is why the people have come to ask. Because they don't know. They've come to ask the president.
So they go
baby president.
Why should you ask the president?
No, Omu baby president.
What report on president?
Omu catch president say on brim. At least because Omu bisa autopsy report. Oh, see. Wait, some question. Mama more answer. Okay. Omu say Omu bisa autopsy report now. Zanka.
Everyone.
I don't know. If you ask me this question, I don't know. Their meeting say Omu kanu, and I'm repeating it for you. Say Omu bisa autopsy report now. Omu zanka. So I'm call 37 no, so I'm call Hifo, so I'm call Cardinal Atamus brother or Cardinal Mills, so no, say then I don't know. But almost your baby sa Omozanka. It's a president in Bomoding, it was a 40 or no, or hey man. It's all by and almost say the Omuhiani, the copy of the report.
You could have to make us say, and maybe one more. I think say your president, and so because certainly Obi or common penny will be the national security gets a briefing of reason for coming. Answer my comment.
I think sometimes what the baby back how would they stop?
No, it's not say and maybe one more say Omo nya sa briefing before say come and were different. But I think say maybe one more after say it me so as on mine. Because for you to tell me say Atamis autopsy report
Yebekacho say the chiefs and queen mothers of this traditional area want to come and see you for national development issues. Say Okoduho no the baby back President Tinubu catch say Madam Jadi Awoka no, and now him Jadi Awoka no. He has to listen. Okay, I'll see you what obeshwe mama omo. That's all. Why any day? It's the only thing he will do, or the thing he can do, is to write to the he say make copy for the Ebusia. Okay. Or yes, I don't say anything wrong with it. But they are here say we need to understand what went on. Then it went to another level. Okay. Listen, yenina yetina hano yeba na people ye joking idea. Sometimes you want to make things light a bit. Sure. President wants to cool her down. Okay. Into all kinds say, oh, when we say mutu me de share ninti, to me a development amount because Obian who Baba Casamo. Until the Queen Mother comes there, say, oh, ABC, they are not President Kohwa. Who is going to speak on their behalf?
The MC.
The MC. How many times na MC ought to make a president or apart from the
I'm
telling you, say when you have an MP, it's easier for you to get certain things done for you.
It I think and so can we na ya arrogated the power of development to members of parliament. When we know say enya sanet here. Ebi na akoka your district assembly elections the premium we place on the person and the money panel dimu. And now you book MPs for development chain your MC.
President J. Paul no can say yen to MCs na DCs one abano. What did our people say?
They be average.
What did our people say? Listen, don't let us go down that
okay. Say, Pampeni say, Mutu abadi ti a member of parliament no. Enti ma dream free moso kakra.
Yes. Because not on Baminche. Because listen, that's the first person I am in the cabinet minister and deputy minister role.
Yeah.
But he had access, full access to the president 24/7.
MC ni yede. MC reporting ma one
MC reports to the local government minister. Now, listen.
Why should president meet MPs for development?
MPs are there to lobby for projects for their communities.
Okay.
And that is what is happening.
Okay.
Whether we like it or not, MPs lobby for projects.
Yeah.
Entina Kennedy oko asensu ho oko yedede wo hono. Nkrofo na ka che ne say asensu dia wa ye no ebrunti ase.
Okay.
Asensu has worked in his constituency.
Okay.
So the people love him.
Bantama.
Okay. So the people love him. Enti wo ko ye
a general love.
Wo ko ye no na wo ko ka che ne say wo maami ekukonte seller. That is not what is going to let him lose his elections. Because why ye juma mo.
Okay.
Just a confused Bantama.
Oh, Massa.
Oh, why confused?
Eric.
So when MPs are working,
okay.
When you make an MP, a minister, and that is what is in our constitution.
Okay.
Say 60% should be what? Ministers.
Yeah.
Now, when you make him a minister, no, access to the president is easier.
Okay.
Lobbying for certain things, even though the MC is there to do his work near the end, MC, I'm report you, I'm the local government minister. Local government minister puts it together. Then we'll send it to cabinet. Say,
okay.
We pay. You better apportionment in now. On my share. Okay, you bet me have one way says here. You to me here way says here. You to me here way. You bet me here way. So when you lose your MP and who is also a minister at that time now, you've lost a lot of things.
So does it mean now it becomes most of the constituencies now development in corn because MPs any the side of the sitting government now.
It happens. Whether we like it or not, let's speak the truth. It happens.
Okay.
Because who a MP or what, and especially when it becomes aligned to the certain government now, getting certain things for yourself is easy.
Okay.
Faster and easier than when you don't have an MP.
Okay.
When you don't have an MP, then a mature process, no. They will look at the open basket.
Okay.
Now, share alignments near there, and that will be done by the local government minister and the team share the distribution of resources near there.
But constituency development ensure that anyone know. We can now boldly hold the MPs responsible. Some counting a Yansanka development team.
Oh yes, you can do that. You can tell the MP say you didn't lobby well for us.
Okay.
And that's why we didn't get certain development. And I'll give you a bright example. To say ambulance here, I can't want to say if you are taught ambulance, it be 400. Now, me a certain MP, I can lobby to get 2 in my district, especially when I see that my district most here no there, but to me 2. I can do that, and these are some of the things are we want there no. So, say listen, muji ni fi hono, and mama dream famous kakra, but this year dear development be say no, the more dear account to make sure say you get your upgrades
in the meeting.
Yes. He told them, say, their ABC distribution you make sure say, Ekunfi, Modia Sefatano, Monsabeka. And that is a sign of a bold leader. A leader, Andre, who say, Ebia, me could see overbridge or why, and Hina Menyasha Bubotum. And I could see housing development, and Hina Menyasha Bubotum. And Sana Wakoy.
So to you,
and I could see hospital, and Hina Menyasha
Bubotum. Said, na a yasima walk candy akuma. Because of
or can the Ajojo Akuma because of in some
okay.
2 or can to let them see say listen sometimes you need your MP.
The reality on ground.
You need your MP to do certain things for you because you can't be coming to me every day. So I say, maybe I'm here way. You need your MP to do that for you.
And your
MP who is a minister has the chance to do it better for you.
Say MPP free power 2024 na say to me a development project anko
MPP dey
if masima manu da sumna so MPP free power in 2024 na say 2025 going say NPP strongholds development anko ho no a NPP frontier say o ma ban the power entinya do msa beka side development no say
they should see say if they let us lose power chances of them getting certain developments minimal. Yeah, to make a sword, and swear on our firstborns to get those developments.
Okay.
Until they are also me say, let us all come together, put everything aside. Nana do we need there. Obiae ba Mahame be we need there. Nana do we need there. Says ye Bob Brako ye, me Bob Bra and Koyechi.
You should hold members of parliament or more NPP afano.
Not responsible across the country. And those seats those seats that we lost, people should now see, say, let us bring our MPs back to fight boldly for us. Because they will go and lobby and get projects for you.
Okay.
I implore every Ghanaian, etim na come near Fanchunchen, etim na come on for development and back.
Okay.
Na Sanko Fasu Wuchi. They should put everything aside and forge forward and know that the best person who can help us and who will help us to develop.
But I say,
Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and in the MPs. And I believe, say, by the Fifth Republic, it will get more than 140 MPs in Parliament.
But I say, me mulaba na mene Eric Eji.
Man, over 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Why? Me mark Eric. Ubenya ne pepepe. Why? Nyame nshira. Every so say my boys no edisika. Mulabre aso. Ya ba ise. Kwa ba biem efa emra pensem so on Badwam on Adom TV. Eric J, a member of the NDC National Communications Team. Eric.
Yeah, kwasi you have one time.
Master Koso.
Eric.
About 9:10.
Eric.
We'll start.
20 minutes.
Eric.
So
less than
20. You should be fair here multimedia.
Eric,
you equal 20 minutes. Me that say. What's your name? Me senior okasa na me hwe ni din. Ewie na we free ekunfie du Bantama. And we did do all MPs. But if clearly say na okasa there, I was a Ghana for in 2024. Titru ni asante mantem. Eho na MPPs no dodo na wo. Eho so na mpuntu abom se de Johnson aba akoko. Monse Samuel sem na MPs no President Akufo-Addo ne na pamfo kire se baby a on sitting MPs no eho na ho kire wo. Enti se obi atena wo so bi ti se KTM atena so almost 24 years. Na wa bra bo se de tie ni na wo san koto aba ma MPP a wo na wo a problem. And the BM Professor Mills baby obi anyame mfa ne kransie. Na me Eric J me ogidie se mre na odane to ne benkum na Nyankopon hyehye na me ye Kristoni Bible so ma yete ase se yete ase a ye Awurade dia ye wunso a ye ne dia enti Nyankopon na owoda ye de wu nipa no ono nenim da nipa besen akọ ne krachi enti ene baby a Professor Mills be bo bredi drew Ghana soma osom ye impact o make ye se Nyankopon no in the wisdom what ne nsafre no na ye wo nipa omoso Nyankopon na bi ne bo omo hu ni se na mre nso ya Nyankopon ne na ni omo bedi obia ne omo ne hweka but me nua pani kwaku ayido ho o chemi pi o obia na me admire a lot oko deputy general secretary me I was then constituency communication officer I voted for him I campaigned for him but one hwe ni year o hu ni ye dia ka na ni monim
threat
no anya threat me tune for as me nua pani
yes
se wan hwe ni year baby ode na bra bonam no hu ni ye because mama ka za mo kire Professor Melson ye ne papa o nti se obi abusua ahwere de hia wa bobre nti se na wo na afi bia wo kai omo yawa you suffer the same pain in your family yes
Eric
yes he will suffer same because some of us we got so excited in this because of the demeanor of Professor Mills. Professor Mills who ya hwan na hu de Ghana ye
enkoku anyido
nti enne afi bia so a gise wo no udidi funu ho na odi funu ho ko entourage na wakọ envelope na wakọ tenafi se eno hu na odidi didi papa funu ho daache ebiem you are here telling me say autopsy report President Akufo-Addo na yele in a former wife was den Eleanor Mamponi no wuye na no ada menke abusua ne yawo okoye bibi ma omo no or the autopsy report na kan ho koma na nanom ho.
How can you compare
Busa's
wife
President Akufo-Addo former wife na no was okoye bibi dia ma for that project?
Have you gone to the
autopsy report? Stop that.
Alfred, you should stop that. You shouldn't bring Akufo-Addo wife into this. You don't do that. That's a sitting president you're talking about. Alfred, no. These things should stop. Alfred, no. These things should stop. No. You cannot bring a former president, the president's wife, former wife into this. The wife will not Eric Yemko. Yeah, stick to the topic.
In 2016, MPP campaign Okruma. Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo bonto na Alhaji Bawumia so bonto. Alhaji Bawumia na kwada no di na chipa ya Kwabena Buadu. Kwabena Buadu hotel ho na kwada ya de chi ya no wawuda dem no. Ni autopsy report Kwabena Buadu de no. Bawumia de akoma na busuanfo. Ade na tente ho twa moto na da bia motreja. Yenim de kun Kwabena Buadu. Edan na oda mu owu ye no hwan na na wo so oda sa dan mu a wan na mu on ne kodam. They shouldn't dare some of us. They shouldn't dare some of us. We are good for Alfred. You see,
But he's lying. Alfred, he's lying. Alfred. Woman and this format now I'm Alfred. Everybody knows what happened. Go and have family somebody reporter. And then you're coming to talk about
Eric Yemko.
They're not like you people.
Eric Yemko. Kwabena Buadu. Ya no di Alhaji Bawumia chi. Obeye me ko equal by then. Edan na ode mu ade chi ade wo sese be akokwa ewu no. Yours is right. Stop that.
You should stop it. It's not right.
You see, you people you behave as if say moje ku no ye different because different
they are talking about two different quality of people.
What sort of behavior? Any share people I can't talk of
have they come to complain.
You are not being fair on the show. Please.
Have they come to complain? These are the things you ask.
Jesus.
You should ask him questions. Make us will be questions.
Eric Yemko. No, it's so painful.
Eric Yemko.
It's so painful.
Have they come to report to you?
Eric Yemko.
Have they come to
Eric Yemko.
Let me tell you. You know I respect you so much. I respect you so much. Mama Kase Micho. You know I lie. I'll face you. You know I'm one at Tehano. Because you know I'm one that called Sunday school. You know I'm one that called P1 and called P2. Call ya bedu baby Edruno. And then you know I'm one at Sorry. You know one at na classroom. But you peer more person mo just a moon in Nyanza dodo. When it peer, umo ganyache, and on atomono. So the president as a leader of the country, at the end of the hand, so entertaining that conversation. Is he a medical doctor? And that dear Dr. Akufo-Addo, ubi una ye hu no autopsy or no one ye kwageno. Does it make sense? Common try knowledge. Does it make sense? Well, me a JB down kwedu. Ya ye kokum ni ya gabi o chene da akodi atwede ye koforo soro ho so ko ready over them. For now ye nya the autopsy report. My presenting the Magana. Was he not a member of parliament?
I for gabi dey atwede.
Video na ba na gabi dey atwede foro soro no wan.
Video ben.
Stop that question.
No, Eric.
Me say Eric. Time na. Yes, security for no ko fie. Sa video no wan bi.
Say.
Okay, wan hu bi aja kan.
No,
JB Dankwadu was a sitting member of parliament. We ni some Canada Japan be kan kruma party for mpanimfo ane yesi ye de ne ka e ka mu betua nti according to Kennedy nam say no kra mu no fa mu wuye be sin na ni autopsy report mo de ama na yire na
ba be so say gabi ye no
adan
me pacho Eric me pacho gabi de no ye ni any video wa han mo a e kire say okay me da say
hwe obi wo Professor Melson kwa na ye nipa Yankopon abona wa wudana. Even the soft phone pa no wogide woni mu a ne ho na no ko TB Joshua onwi. TB Joshua yare da ho no wu ye. Na no ada yete ha COVID ba ye Tanzania what's the name of the president no wu Magufuli what country? No onye sitting president no wu ye. Ana we ye sitting president a owo no botraw. Wow baby yedu no the conversation should be about obi yawa wo kai obi ni na busuan. And this winim say hwere ade pa. Say why your campaign do be a bond to us or bebu mine. No tear kumia so you think say any pain. Mona mo wa be mu no da bia mo didi owu no ho de campaign de hiam. But I'm telling you, say Professor Mills cra e da bi pa. asotwe bi wo so de makwakwai do won fama no because untimi ni di nipa wo hu afi bia na do je white envelope ne brown me de manu si form no
uni evidence
oh masa maka Eric uni evidence evidence be no what do obi copy job to say isi a family member oya busuani
kwakwai do won kan etam kan pato uni evidence kwakwai e di atamis wo no e
talk to the person
what do white envelope
how tiny pa house aden okay yes boni be ne de aye no Bonnie Bennett, Nebusian for Mu Titibes in the autopsy report to send the Buna Dakam. On edge. What sort of behavior is that? Simple question, Obusan, baby, and ordinam. President Akufo-Addo, a lawyer of a good standing, as they claim then. Offer a constitution, now called under Article 36(2)D, a directive principle of state policy. It doesn't matter so be na to abama no you be na to abama. Now say Nana most mo ye imposters amodeba na nim say the card ma mail so mo kana mo say mo ye imposters once amodeba o say di mo atoma mo di ko mu krum o say mo anto aba ma atukujo nti na adwon so abom say de abo akoko and enye ade bia na so di agro President Akufo-Addo is fan of doing that. That is the core language. Or ye extreme partisan to the extent to say belong to baby or one now nipa at the end they see ye now no adam poor kwa Ashanti region or Kotina will take FM. Then or catch a Kwabri is for. Or say Kwabri is for so Makwanye. You know the castle one so means I saw Monko Trabaman. Now take Kwabri is in there now you have 4 more. 4 more now Timino. Ebiem now no other in Sweden ya favor region for no. Papa it me can see the assam you go so Kotina or catch almost say Momo Cramon Trabaman.
Yes, I know.
Now President Akufo-Addo, Ghana for a mistake and was the president of Ghana. You are the mess in the economy. Over far Ghana say na net here. And you have these leaders, bunch of hypocrites among kind of chromotria, and yeah, yodium, and now to Ghana training. Now, baby, a Ghana entry, ye hear penny or Kasa Sabi or can wisdom, the unity never. We need a unifier. Kwasi baby, a Ghana, do not fany a can yen sinicasa. And then one who crow much a say, a good quota, Chebi. Inti enyawa mwa so bi buse kumfi project I also want to about money MP. But the question is, common fund na checha na say other development funds na ye de kono. Ye de obi owo MP o wa ban mu na share na. Release their funds for them. Enyawa just some few months ago, who say local government ministry no, omo sorry won atoshi so. Omo say NDC MPs ni bi Richard Achampon, Ahmed Ibrahim projects or model call constituency MPP for no Ukraine. The question na me busa me hono say 11 na yetua no ye gifiri mo party for no bottom. Now no other 21% na ye kwa kwato electricity ye ba betua no. Say MPP for ni tua. Mo ye wudi for dodo. The way you think is as if say Ghana belongs to one political party. Is that how to reason as leaders? Huh? When you are creating a monster for the future. I'm sure here Ghana you practicing democracy so nipa ye boni ye ntuminka because they are more yet than one more I am telling you they are more yet than because from day one President Mahama bet no position be seen there obu ani bu mo man be da obu you know those circumstances atemo mo deeper pay and them mo kan fa no and fear na pe no obedi you but Ghana for in track record ye in legacy. What you need now? Ubi an our banking sector. Yeah, cap public debtor. What's the NDC? Ajibosia MPP. No, but na Ghana kai. O me show. Mo je from Kufuor. Wo je from Kufuor. $9 billion. Then I woke up. Mo mo fi so nye $21 billion. Kobisa wo. Onana mo show. Sesi akani ya. Me try din trend say. Onana mo show. Ko check wo e record. Wo nim da wo ka. Wo be ka say $9 billion to $30 billion. To the extent say, oh my God, you intimi. $21 billion. Because for the past 50 years, we be show Ghana. Ye DD da. What is Ghana yet? Everywhere they happen. And the President Akufo-Addo, reckless by leadership. Kenya and the Ghana. You mama fabudo. Maybe me say. That's not no beside question. Because no beside question. I'm so many country. That Ben what is Ghana? What be baby? But under President Akufo-Addo, it's happening now. It's happening now in other countries. It's added to all yet my hand one. David, yeah, can you crazy? See, I'm going to okay. I want this for some no be in Ghana bobre and every reasonable being reasonable is underlined
enim say president Akufo-Addo ne Badwam ya mess e magana because we have left the economy here ho na mo no ambulance na ambulance mo fa nipa no yare na mo de ne come straight oba hospital be na we see of ambulance
empty coffins
rage ne si o so nipa na ambulance
rage ne order no bia renovation Ghana supermarket bia ko bia no sa ebeka bi out of 0593809227 ependudum etu ekotomidi de akwesi ensia dadwada ebesa de bedwem aso akra